Please click the thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and the bell notification. Thank you. Please click the thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and the bell notification. Thank you.
Raga, good evening.
Good evening, Wagwan.
I'm glad to over here no fool. Let me up and hear my story.
Yeah, catch them early, yes, boo. Catch them
Yeah.
early. Yeah. Are you at what with the dance, you know?
Yeah, me want me dance. I make the rocking come in.
You see, talk to me.
Anyways, this guy did I look my face 10 years, right?
I look you for 10 years. 10 years, I look you.
Yeah.
Eh. Well, you
Me
have to
did
do
friends.
something. You have to do something. Move around and think. Something you have to do.
No, me did friends on him.
Yeah.
You understand? Like everything when me and my family them did I go through,
Yeah.
mother tell him and vent, you understand?
Yeah.
So me know him like me cause we are woman. Typically we know when a man love we and check for we.
Yeah.
But him no know how to come across, come tell me. You
Oh,
understand?
yeah, one of them situation there. You
So
know, but him not say it to you.
yes.
And him not make no move. And him not make no move. Right.
So me did play along. So one day now him get pay one Friday and him a say, you want to go make a mat? And I say, yeah, of course, because we are woman. So we are go. So him say, what you want? I say, I don't really want nothing, you know. So anyways, him did I'm pick up few little items and things. So here, you come around and me, I say, yeah, me come around there, but me ain't have no sex, you know.
Mm-hmm.
So him say, alright. So I go around there and everything. And I did there.
Mm-hmm.
Him give me $5,000. I'm going to end up go back up on me yard with my little things that I pick up.
And your $5,000.
Yeah, so
Yeah.
I did there and in the night now him come. So one next guy where did I look me now end up turn my baby father. So him vexed with me.
Oh.
You understand? Couple years down the line him vexed with me. It end up have a daughter, Ray. So I say, you know what? I sit down as woman, we as woman.
Mm-hmm.
Sit down and we consider about certain things that we do in our life.
Yeah.
So me this a boy, I used to take that man at things and he used to give me things.
Yeah.
And finally now I just give him a chance.
Who you give a chance?
The one who can go make a man.
So what you mean? You boss him?
Yeah, after 8 years after.
8 years after you boss him?
Yeah.
But that time, that time you left your baby father?
Yes, so it would have come up to 10 years. You understand?
No, I don't understand. Because you say 8 years after you boss him, so all the 10 years drop in.
Because remember saying that me go there with my baby father in the ease off.
Oh, okay.
You understand?
Okay.
So me left my baby father now, and me there, and I make him know. So me and my baby father left. So him still want the chance.
So let me ask you, I want you to tell me the truth because you're going to teach me now, and I want people to listen what you're going to say now. So when you decide for boss him, talk it truth, you did love him or it was a sorry for slam, a pity slam you did go give him?
As I said before, Raga, remember we are woman.
Yeah.
We have conscience, certain things right away.
Right.
Remember him never harm me.
Right.
Remember him do good for me. You understand? So my
so your thing was that him deserve a little run, man. Him go through it and thing.
Yeah.
So it's a sorry for thing. Is that like you deserve a thing. So me boss you. Are you a good boy? Are you treat me good and thing and do all this time you're patient and you not give me no disrespect and thing and you're dead for me. Me go give you a little run. So you never were you sexually attracted to him?
You know, I say after everything, I just saw what my family them did I say about him.
Yeah.
Really conquer my mind from him, but me never see that deep down.
Oh, so you did I get to like him differently then and be attracted to him?
Yeah, remember, so we talk about everything, you know, but him just can't touch me because I'm afraid, someone afraid, you know. So come down to you and say, you love me, you know.
Yeah.
You get what me I say?
Yeah.
Because Chum is that type of person.
Yeah.
We just tell him mine and just
move.
Yeah. So I'm afraid of that. So
yeah.
One water party that keeping at the scheme, so I go.
Wait,
I'm
1
scheme.
second. Hold on, don't. Everybody, as you know, come in right away. Like the live. Like the live. Just tap your screen and like the live. You don't know the drill, right? And that I gonna make the show nice. When you like the live and the light go up, it goes a boom and it bring in more call and more people and things. So all I want to know there, like the live. And if you don't follow me yet, follow me now too. If you don't follow me yet, follow me right now and like the live. 400 I want a day already, I will just come in. So, all right, go on talk. Sorry, go on talk. Yeah.
Yeah, I know a little party that I keep my scheme.
Water party.
Yeah.
Them the nice, you know.
And then I go, woman in the party, you know.
Wait, him have woman?
Yes.
What ya?
Him have woman in the
What
party.
ya? He get woman?
And when me look, woman in the party, but she over the west and him there east. So me then I party now, I watch every game. So Cartel has have a song when him bend over, bend over, bend over.
No, I Cartel do that. Sing that song there. What Cartel did have a bend over? Not the two you them. What name again? Who sing in there? No them sing that one there. Bend over. Yeah, go on. RDX, yeah, go on ta, yeah.
So me there me a dance and me two magnum some come.
And I bet you say you can dance. You have as me hear you talk, you know. Yeah, girl, you dance, you know. Me not fi ask.
Up the body, cause my body big.
Yeah.
And me there twerk.
Yeah.
And me there hear me want a magnum. I say I no want magnum, want two.
Chop lot. Mama cuss about one. Go on, yeah. Yeah.
So, Raga. My daddy and me a wine and I just see him send over the two magnum with his cousins. So I say, him no want the woman no, cause we a woman.
Yeah.
So my daddy and me a dance, so him can't take the eat. So him come over there and say, yeah, come home with me. Me know a woman then at the party, so me I dry and me I say, yeah. Anyways, I go the party done and he hold my hand and say, come. We a go around and
Yeah.
go around and we take it through the choppy and we boom back so reaching at the yard.
Yeah.
When me dead, I say, you know, say, me no plan for this, but me I go home. So I say, all right then.
You say you no plan for what?
For sex or nothing. Yeah. You know me I drink and him and, yeah. Them say, you no plan for give me it now. How much years?
Yeah.
I see the phone start ring.
Yeah.
KK, 3K now call. I'm a brother from prison. So I say, why you not answer?
Him say brother from prison?
Yeah.
I call him phone, right?
Yeah. So I say, why you not answer? Hey. My daddy on the phone ring one next time. Him not answer. So I say, I will see a oofa brother. Alright, a woman. When me hear, clum, 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 clum. On the door. Raga.
Yeah.
The door start beat down. You know me in the house and him in the house. And the phone now ring no more.
Yeah.
So me there me say, you know open me door. Hear the woman out there. I see the play from in the dance.
And that she say.
Style me.
And that she say. She see the running some in the dance.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, me say better go on out there to her, you know. Cause you should come to her, no me.
Yeah.
And sit down in there like a G.
Yeah.
Here, my girl, me in a day now. Go on now. Go on in your yard now.
And that he must say to you?
To the girl, me.
And the girl he must say that to outside. The one who outside.
Yeah, that's why me I tell her, say me a G.
So,
listen, Raga.
Hold on there, go on there. Yeah.
Me sit down on the bed and me I make them clash out for them things.
Yeah.
My daddy and the one family member come and say, nobody go out, nobody go out. I say, me and grandma, this too much for me. I not used to them a thing, yeah. When me look, one of them dropping at the gully, and one dip on the banking.
What you mean? What them did out there fight?
Yeah.
Him and her fight outside?
Yes.
I want dropping at the gully, I want left on the bank. Who dropping at the gully? Don't tell me say how good as dropping at the gully, you know. And Miss Lady dropping at the gully?
Oh, the man dropping at the gully.
Oh, him dropping.
Thick and sturdy, you know.
Yeah, she thick and sturdy, and him dropping at the gully.
Yes,
okay.
So, Raga, My daddy and me I say me I go home. I can't manage this. You understand?
Mm-hmm.
So here know where you go. I say woman come. And you say you're not in and nothing. So guess what? What sense me there do?
Mm-hmm.
Him say I want to rush him. How much years me I look for you now? How
Mm-hmm.
much years me I wait for you now? I want to you.
Yeah.
And him start and him go and I just take up my little bag when I have around me and call me taxi.
Uh-huh.
Hear him. So I say, who did that call? No she. I know him can't answer. Anyway, I reach down
Mm-hmm.
at my yard
Mm-hmm.
and him a call me. I not answer. Next day, I go back up at the top yard and I see him coming when we meet at the party.
Yeah.
Girl, I send threat to me. I say, your woman just send threat to me, you know. Hear him. Anyhow, she ever make a ear by your skin. Real, just make me know.
What?
Raga? Me tell her, say down to the dog, I got dead in the yard.
And that who says so? Who says so?
No man.
Him said down to the dog, I got dead in the yard, anyway, she ever make us.
Yeah.
Well, the same man where like if for 10 years and don't make a move pan or whatever, are him bad so?
Mm-hmm. Yeah. So she did there kick up herself and thing.
Mm-hmm.
Me just did there Tom Cruise because I feel big, you know, kind. You know, and me the party is the pan.
Yeah.
Anyway, sir, girl.
You are the focus.
Yes, so me nobody say nothing so. Me give me time throughout this time. Boy, take a set.
Well, so you run the you can't do it. When I want no detail, but when you run the thing pan him, the same night there.
When me hear say she has send the threat.
When you hear say she has send the threat for you,
yeah.
That after you go down, right?
Yeah. But Raga, my husband come so me I go wrap it up quick.
Yeah.
And come back tomorrow.
Yeah.
Anyways, me and him end up have sex and thing. Boy.
That same night there? That same night there?
Yes.
What was it good?
Good. Excellent.
Sure. Listen to my because about it. Go ahead, yeah.
So him come and him love it and everything. Why start carrying clothes 1-1. 1-1.
You start carrying clothes where you live?
1-1.
Yeah.
So me did and I said this can't work, you know.
We talk up, man. You're distracted. Talk up. I show you the pan. Talk up. Like you say.
Remember my husband come.
Oh, all right. You want Lego and call back tomorrow then?
Wait, no?
All right.
So him end up and start moving 1-1.
Yeah. Enclose them.
Anyways.
No, man, yeah, I remember the show me I run, you know, so, you know, you're not attack, no, you know, you did attack before, boy.
All right, tomorrow.
Yeah, man, all right. No, make sure you call tomorrow, you know. All right?
Yeah, no follow my PH people.
All right. All right, cool. Boy, man, I tell you, it's life funny, you know. And uno don't want to admit it. And you know what's funny? That we get that she had the first person call. Make her play something for you. Because I'm going to say it right there. With the pan wedding mix-up or any other mix-up, you know. But more and play something for you. I wait there. All right, watch this. Where the backside is sitting there? Oh, see it up here. All right, watch this.
Let me tell you this, as my man, you have to keep me on my toes. I have to be on the edge. Like, I want to on a roller coaster ride. Because the moment me get bored, sweetie, you're going to get bun.
Hey. Well, run it again, the mass Raga.
Let me tell you this, as my man, you have to keep me on my toes. I have to be on the edge. Like, I want to on a roller coaster ride. Because the moment me get bored, sweetie, You go get bun.
I want to know watch that and all every social media platform I go on from Jamaica until now, right? I try if it could take off that sitting here. Wait, oh, you not go off. Come on, oh, I rank thing. Right, I rank sitting me to see ya. And every social media platform I go on, 75%, 70 to 75% of who listen me a woman. No surprise there. The ladies them is for Ragashanti. We all know that, right? So, but me go talk to some man right here now. You know make the woman them fool, you know. You see the woman them a raga love. When we love them and all these things, and you know say raga always a defend the woman them and whatever. You know don't make yeah man big up all who a gift and all them something. Big up on yourself, right? Say I want Galaxy something that and thing. See it up there. Don't make the woman them fool, you know. Right? But I get back to the call up, but you hear what the person but you hear what she said a while ago. If the man boring, he might go get bun. If the man boring, he might go get bun. But you hear what she also said? He might keep her upon the edge and up on roller coaster. She used the image of a roller coaster. You see when woman in them hot girl face, men, listen to me. When a lot of women don't want to admit it. Me not talk when them get older. Me not talking when woman get older. When woman get older, very. But you see when woman in them hot girl phase, them 20s, particularly in the hot girl phase, they don't want a good man. I could have vexed look more. Them don't want a good man. Them want trouble. Them want stress. Mama Bird, big up yourself. Raga love you. Them want trouble. Uno want stress. Uno get good man and the good man boring. The common Jamaican turn him too soft, man. Him too soft. No local excitement, you know. Him not get me. Him not give me no local excitement. Him too predictable and him too soft, man. That the time the man committed to them fully, you know. No, him too soft, man. Him don't even give me a little stress and thing. Him not sure and whatever. Hear the funny thing. I'm gonna get back to the caller. Listen to Mas Raga. Every woman who me know stay so, and Raga have a whole heap of girlfriend who me not look front from. Yeah, me just know a whole heap of people. I only know me. I'm a charismatic person and thing like that. Enough women talk to me when them a go through them problem and them know me not go try to get in them baggy, them can come just reason. From me there you and thing. I'm a counselor too. So, right. Listen to me. All of the women them who me know stay so. 99% of them end up get older. When them get older, them end up want a boring man. The same type of man when them never want, you know. After them go through certain stress, them end up want a stable man, a predictable man. The same type of man when them did a burn out before, them end up want a man and end up can't get that man there. And when them get that man there, they don't even know how to deal with a man like that. Some of them say the man that them want, and when them get the man, them now get boring. Them now feel unsatisfied, but them don't want to go back to where them did really love, you know. Them don't want that excitement no more. Because in truth, when women get older, at the end of the day, women want security. Women want reliability. Yeah, and them want predictability. If you say you're going to do something, do it. A big deal to woman when woman get older, you know. Man must there run them and know, say, if you take care of this, take care of that. Women love that. They consider that sexy. A man who self-assured, take charge and know, say, if you deal with this, that, and him deal with it. Women love that. When them start settle down and all these things. But you know what is interesting? Listen to the call a while ago, man. What good say? Good say 10 years a man like her. How much years? Here 10 years a man like her and I make no move. But she know, you know. She know and she never take no step for give him no run. She keep him right where him there. And 1,100, okay, if you're over here, like the live. Like the live if you don't like the live. You remember go in a second. Like the live. All who there like the live right now. Everyone on there like the live. You see, 1,100 on there. But you see over there, so with the like is 61,000. You know what that mean? Right? It means enough on and like well, I'm not gonna explain that too. But on like the live right now. Like the live because of that push it and thing. And if you're not follow me right now. If you're not here gallery. Big up Ottawa, you know, big up my friend. Big up my friend here, gallery up at Ottawa. Big up my friend. All right. And if anybody trouble you, call me. Call me. Oh, we can't beat. We have links to send somebody for them. And if whatever, Raga the good way, man, we give them big foot, fat knee and all these things. I make them ankle just swell up on them and them something there. Right? I would don't even have to touch them. We can send it to them through Wi-Fi, through email, through WhatsApp and all them things. Raga the good way, man. Raga are the good way, man. If anybody trouble you, call me. Right? We defend who we love round here. We protect who we love round here because we're bad, so. We're not bad boy. We don't want to be bad boy. We don't want to be gangster. We're going to want to be gangster. We can't keep that. Go be gangster, whatever. You know, gangster if it sit down in a one little corner at night time, can't go yes or can't go this. So. Me don't want to be no gangster. You have to watch your head back all the time. Me don't want to be no gangster. But we want to be bad enough to defend who we love, don't. Yeah. And that's our thing then. Here, gallery at Ottawa, big up on yourself. People know about that. I'm a friend, right? So if you're in Ottawa, Canada, make sure say you roll up at Ear Gallery and go do your ear. And girl, good like that. Mama, good like that. Me nah just tell you that. A long time she in and she has the most amazing personality also. Like, wonderful woman and thing, yeah. She had the type of woman, anyway, she never married and all them things that quietly and Screechie draft for her, them because something there and whatever, but I'm a charge you and you see me, I'm a charge it. Anyway, so when I say, good as they know, here 10 years, she knows that the man like her and she did they talk to him the whole time. She, woman love a man who she can reason with and talk to and whatever, you know. Them love that something there, you know. But she never draft him. And she never like give him like the green light. And she said enough to kind of keep him off. You hear what she said? Yes, some man afraid. But why them afraid? Because of how she go on. Now, a guy have to just have the confidence that when you're them on some woman to step to them. Even if it not run, at least you move to her. That's something that for dead, yeah? We know that. But what I say is, she never facilitate anything for actually happen. But you see when she go eventually make something happen, when him get woman, you hear what she say? She in at the dance and him dead with him woman and rare. Why wanna stay so? Ladies, why wanna for stay so? But in truth, though, yeah, it's a Jamaican thing, you know. It's a Jamaican thing because I grew up amongst Jamaican man to oh, them no want no woman if no other man now rush the woman, you know. And it's just a status and a pride for a Jamaican man. You hear Jamaican man, hey, you see when me and she go, enough boy I look pan her and want her, you know. But yeah, Jamaican man into that something there too, you understand? Even Jamaican men love to compliment other man about them woman and them say, yo, John, you know, say your sister look good and whatever that is there where I say, I know your woman, you know, but would I talk to her, you know, that's why I think would I love for she be a sister. Jamaican men are into it. So let's be fair. The Jamaican man them stay so too. But when I say back to good as with the link, you know. You see, when him start that look of something, you know, what she want cross that line they know and run it pan him and thing like that. And when he get woman, you know. Yeah. And you know, you just say in the dance, she see the woman and thing, and she see him and whatever, and ray. And she just go do a little dance and all these things. And you know that dance, you know say that dance call him, you know. And that dance trigger boss, you know, man. You can't imagine when she go so boom, you know, when woman do that something, eh? Some women are more subtle, you know. As a man, me can tell you know, woman like you, them play with them ear a lot and them glance at you. Yeah. If a woman like, well, you know, like, it's like say you over there, so, and play with them ear and them go on and them glance at you and send like a signal for you, and you for make a move, you know. And them not act frightening and them give you a little signal. And then if you're not go, then we give you like a little chops more with the glance, right? So if at first the glance was like this, after a while, the glance will come like this. Yeah, you don't know what I talk about. You don't know what I talk about. You don't do that something there. You don't know. Yeah, man, if you don't like a guy, you know, you have some woman up front. Hey, you have some woman forward nowadays, and them step to you and tell us and them like you, you know. You have some woman where always move to you and tell us, Raga, I know one day with you, you know. I just want to run off for you because you just run up your mouth and go on somewhere. I just want to know. I want one half. Yeah, man, you have them woman and now, man, them keep it 100. But outside of that, in general, woman send signal and you for make you move. You understand? So you can imagine when she do all the dance and she call him, you know, man. She have that confidence there, you know. Because the whole time, I say, Ellie make a post and say, you know, say all this time, so she knows she have him locked. Yeah, she knows she have him locked. She knows she could have sleep with him anytime she want to sleep with him. She knows she could have make him there with her anytime she want. But when she choose, when him get woman. And you hear she say, when she in at the house and the woman come and beat down the door, you hear her, she say, you know I open the door. You know I open the door, you know I open the door. And when she talk to me, you hear she say, yeah, because I kind of depend on her hype, because I'm me at the focus now. Yeah, I'm me I get her headache and whatever. Why wanna stay so? Why would I stay so? Ladies, why would I have to stay so? Right? That's why the nice guys them go through hell out there. You see what reach Rick? You see what reach Rick? You hear what Rick talk about yesterday? Right? You see what reach Rick? I guarantee you say that woman there, oh, Rick say have 3 picnic and I deal with him so. And you see how Rick was $500,000, whole it more spent on associates and thing and apostle and pastor and church and all these things and whatever, this and that. She just have a hint. And Rick goes a boom and jump in and I pay for this and I buy this for her and whatever this. I guarantee you she have one little man probably a jump up in her belly and all these things and a choke her right and catch one foot. But she have a boy and make her knee them touch her ears. You understand? She have a boy a rough her up on a gangster up on all these things. And a man that she really like. And a man that she had dash out pan. And a man that she had do the catch and quint pan. And a man that she a slide and wine pan. And a man that she a edge it pan and a edge it good too. Right? And a man that she enjoy a dash out and a probably a cook for him. I give him a little massage every now and then, wash him clothes and all him something there, check him pan him, make sure him all right. And a man that she like, not Rick, don't. Why wanna stay so? Ladies, why wanna stay so? Why wanna treat the good guy them stay so? Yeah, Kimberly, but why Raga stay so? I'm an angel, I'm a good behaving boy. Come on now. All right. Why wanna stay so, ladies? Why wanna have to stay so? You hear? You see when she run it upon him after all the years, when him get good woman in a dance with him, good woman and all these things. You see where Kamisha post, Rick too soft. Lord Jesus. What the top football name where win ball the world like top player, you know, in a Europe. It must have come from Colombia and thing. Good looking. Very good looking by, Western Europe, Western standards. Rich. loyal, no bonagi, do work hard and all these things. What the top footballer name and the woman, not runner, I must say Kaka. No, not Ronaldo, a Kaka. And his wife, yeah, from Brazil, man. A Brazil, yeah, I think a Brazil or Colombia, Brazil, all right, yeah. Kaka from Brazil, right? And his wife come out and say, he's too good. I'm serious, you can't check it. His wife said, man, I have to leave him. She said she have to leave him. When them say why, she said he's the perfect husband. Good looking, rich, kind, treat her good, and whatever. She said she have to leave, and she left him. The woman divorced her husband because she said her husband is the perfect husband. People in the ear when me, which man you ever hear say I'm going to divorce him wife because she's the perfect wife? He may burn her. He may burn her. A man will have a real good woman and still go burn her. We all know that. So man have that carelessness about them. Right? But when him a burn her and thing, when anything come up, him don't want to leave her. Right? Man will end up a ball. Even the wickedest gangster them make woman telling auntie for lie, me I tell, right? Right? Even the wickedest gangster them would I tell you. In woman tell us them they would have some rough boy. And when them go for left them, you see all gangster ball like a little biatch. Right? Because him don't want to leave. You not hear a man say him going to leave a woman because she's the perfect woman. Him want to keep her, probably keep her that store or whatever, you know? Yeah? You see, good vibes, you can link in after we go to the request line. Right? But women know. And you see it on social media, all these women both them the one man them too good and all them something there and thing and whatever. And when I hear some man complain and I say, John, no, some man no want, you know. In truth though, there is an evolutionary explanation that underpins why women are like that. It doesn't mean that when women say they want a bad man or they don't want a perfect guy. From an academic perspective, it's not that them really, except for the women them who are either consciously or unknowingly into sadomasochism. Yes, some women love when man, I don't want you to misinterpret it, but some women love aggressive men for different reasons, you know? Yeah, and it's trauma, it's dysfunctional and whatever, but, you know, except for those women really don't want a madman, you know? When women say they want a bad man, you know, feel like can defend them and thing and then consider it sexy and all these things and whatever, them don't want a man who going to get in a trouble and in a prison all the time because then them not go there, you know. So it not go too far. But women like to know a man firm and sturdy. And unfortunately, the good guys, the totally good guys, they don't have that edge that women in general want. And throughout the history of humanity, again, when you get on an evolutionary explanation of it, in terms of the behavior you're going to model to your children or you're going to protect your family or whatever, what those women are saying is that you're really, 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 really nice. Really, 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 really nice. And the predictability and dependability that, yeah, that's good. But there's another thing when we want to feel fully safe with you if me I go there with you and have picnic for you. And you not have that edge there. If it come down to it, can you protect me? Right? Can you protect me? Can you stand up and protect me? Or you go just because you're a nice guy and you're soft and all them something. So that is important to a lot of women. All right? So I'm saying over this so some of the explanation go. But again, you know, it's funny how I take up the video today, you know. I'm saying, you know, so I'm going to play that video and I want to look at meds span it with them and thing and whatever. And look there. Good say, come in early. I say, Raga, me I come in early before the crowd go and because you know the show set up, you know, right? and thing, and she come in and this the thing just, it's like the spirit move me for just run the little link and the first call come. Look at that, when you're in sync and you're aligned and thing, man, something there. Yes, ladies, so when you can chat on that in the show, we are going to the request line here now. And remember with that one, somebody said for us run it again, so let me run it one last time. I couldn't see a video. I wait there, right?
Let me tell you this, as my man, you have to keep me on my toes. I have to be on the edge. Like, I want to on a roller coaster ride. Because the moment me get bored, sweetie, you're going to get bun.
Man must keep her on her toes. She want to be on the edge. She want to be on a roller coaster ride. She said it. She want excitement. She want drama. She want to be on a roller coaster ride. She have to be on her toes. And it's not the cartel or I don't know who sing tip, 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 tip on your toe. It's not that toe there. Another tip on her toe there. She have to be on the edge. She want uncertainty. She want stress. She want the up and down something there. She want who the girl you talk to. She want the why me can't see in your phone. She want, she wants some drama. And then in the drama, she must get chosen at the end and whatever, because that is affirming. I them something that she want. But you listen to Mass Raga. When we're in a hot girl phase, all of them woman, them say it already, all of them woman in them hot girl phase who stay so. The whole of them, 99% of them who me know, them end up in a position where them want the same boring man when them did a burn out, because them get tired of all of the drama and reach a point when them want to settle down. And at that time, they're usually ill-equipped to know how to deal with a good man, believe it or not. I am amazed how many women I talk to, and them can tell you how good them man is. And when them go in details, how good him, good, and whatever. And then when me ask them going all these details, when I say, so, if me even ask him why I'm love you, when would I say about you? And invariably some of them, you're lucky if them come back with, come look good, I'm a nice girl, and things like that. I'm a cook for him, I'm a give him good sort out. Which is a prison them end up in, because by them reach a phrase there and them feel them deserve a top man and thing. The top man where them want, that's a dime a dozen. The top man where them want, him can't get pretty girl anywhere. Him can't get good sort out anywhere. What extra you have this or no, whatever. And they're ill-equipped to deal with a good man. All of them. So me always just drop back and say, yeah man, don't enjoy on a hot girl phase, but if your man boring. Who this coming at the chat talk about if this is live? Seriously? I would have somebody there name. I would have named that. Chinese, what you mean if this is live? What? Chinese mean you over here and thing or whatever this like. You come and say about this is live. Who is the new girl? Who is the new girl? Chinese? I want to go on with you about this is live. If this is live. Anyway, we have got a request line, wedding mix-up or any other mix-up or have a Ragashanti live on TikTok. No, sir. And why me love over here, so now? No, me like it. But should have come from long time. But nothing wrong if you don't come quick. Yeah, when I'm talking about TikTok. Okay, all right. Let's go. Request line. Let's go. And do remember, Ragabash, September 20th, Amazura, Ragashanti birthday party. A mad something in elegance and class. Dress up and come. Good evening, where you going? Hello?
Evening, Raga.
Evening to you too.
You're not cater for Jamaican?
What you mean if me not cater for Jamaican? What you talk about?
With that show there.
My
put on my pretty dandy too.
Nah, but then me keep a Ragabash at Jamaica. Me bring Ragabash to different places, You just never did come the Jamaican one when we did that run with it. Catch COVID and then me did go law school and all these things and whatever. But me keep a Ragabash at Jamaica.
Me have 3 points I want to ask.
Send them
From
and box me
yesterday.
in my nastiness with them, yeah.
With Ricky, you see?
Yeah.
If Ricky did see a girl pan like a phone, shaped like carrot, or her head look well dry, she have a fall, me feel like Ricky wanna take her up.
That is a good point, no.
You see, through him see the brownie and she cock up and she nice.
And he did
Draw
say
him
that.
attention.
Yeah, he did say that. He did say that. Yeah. And
So
then,
me feel like say if something wrong with the girl,
yeah.
him wanna look.
Well,
Even if he look, he never spell nothing less than not spend. Much less we got $500,000.
yeah, so is there a point you want to make with that?
Alright, him is a good man.
Yeah.
Because 90% of them man you know, they not really take up so much money or take up that responsibility.
Yeah, they want to jump up in your belly and push out your navel and get a tasty party.
So even if they give one $10,000 first,
Mm-hmm.
they might go wine you back after.
What?
Can they might go look something?
Yeah.
They might go
Yeah.
want something look so. Him a good man, but he not looking at a good place.
Okay, so him a good man, but he look like him have some priorities will make him pick the wrong woman then.
Wrong set of people.
Good pass. Some love one on the meds out the thing and reason it out in a mad. So yes, I have about 2 more points, dude. Yeah.
Alright, the next point. With the rose.
Yeah.
You have we woman somehow we addicted.
Yeah.
Meaning the man will get a good race,
Yeah.
but yet still a dying to go home to use it.
Yeah. Well, and you bring it up because I brought it up yesterday, right?
Yes.
It's a big deal. There are
Which
women.
my boyfriend say
Yeah,
that's
go
part
on.
of cheating.
That's what?
Part of cheating.
Well, no, I mean I agree with that, but why him says cheat when the woman use the rose is a form of cheating?
Yeah, that's his fee believe.
What you think about that?
But me addicted to me not response to what I want to say.
You addicted to the rose?
Me not response to what he want to say.
No, I understand that, but here's a question that is reaching some people. What happened, back in the day, the vibrators, they bought long time and thing. But these new vibrators that they're making for women now, they are very sophisticated in the technology, so they're more soft, right? And them develop them where them vibrate different. And let me say that again. Modern vibrators vibrate very different from the early vibrators, right? So what happened now, you see the rose take off and thing, and you have a whole lot more out there. And you have these women now who have gotten so addicted to them where they want to feel the same way. They get just so accustomed to that kind of intense, explosive type of orgasm with them have. And them want to get that from man. There's no way you can get that from man.
Alright. So sometimes we woman you have some man more dirty body,
Uh-huh.
Worse if them have sinus bad.
What you mean? You know, you got somewhere else with me. What you mean?
That's our next point. Sorry.
Oh, you're going to a different point now.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. No, you never give me no
one.
warning. I ask you a question and you're going to a different point. Me last a while. But go on, say what you say, yeah.
Alright, you see, you have some man who have sinus.
Yeah.
And you see if they go down for you,
Yeah.
it worse than a urinary tract.
Really?
Yes.
I might,
get
I might,
burning
hold on, I might sound naive now. I honestly didn't know that, like a woman can, well,
Yeah.
that makes sense. But me not talk disease, but you're saying urinary tract infection, a UTI, a woman can get a UTI from
the feeling.
a man can swipe a woman and make she get a UTI?
No, you don't get literally a UTI, but the feeling, it worse than it.
No, explain more because you talk about We are talking about how the man
Alright.
mouth smell or what? Some bacteria in
No,
our mouth or what?
there might be bacteria in our mouth.
Oh, okay.
So you get the itching and the burning non-stop. So you see, you might go to the pharmacy and get an insert.
Yeah.
That only make it worse. You have to get pill to take by mouth.
Oh wow, I never know about that. I never know that. Yeah.
Yeah, so maybe that's why we woman maybe stick to that. Because we maybe prefer that than a man.
No. Well, no. Me see the point where you're at, but no, that's not it. Well, and I'm not in any way assuming that to speak for women. No. Let me back up because I agree with you in the sense that there are women out there who, based upon what them say what going on that road, I know some man careless and some man eat every restaurant and go then yam and whatever. So there's someone be like, yeah, you gotta be careful now because you have the man nowadays, them just kind of careless. So you can't make any man come jump up on your good, or jump up in your belly and all them. So that I get. But I don't think that explain the this kind of thing where in this kind of explosive connection where women have with things like the rose and all these things. I think there are larger issues going on out there, really, because a lot of women are just in a position where them like they're really frustrated. Them can't find what they would consider to be like a good, decent man for them with, and the relationship will just juggle, and at the same time, them have them physical needs, them physiological desires and so forth, and, them have to take care of business. So if it's framed that way, I'm inclined to agree with it because for different reasons, a lot of women are very frustrated about the availability of men, who them can have a good relationship with. And some of them say the pickings is just not good. And, the line, you know what? I can do well by myself. Give me my rose, I'm a good. Right? So a lot of women are in that space. I get it. So if I dare say, me agree with you. But to just say, oh, some of the man have disease out there, we want some good come. So that's why we go with the rose. I don't think it's that.
No, with my experience, Raga, I try 3 times with the same person.
Yeah. 3 what?
Pan eating.
Oh.
And I try it and then I say maybe me then.
Yeah.
And I try to clear it up, try it again. And the same thing.
So hold on, 3 times you make him swipe you and thing, and 3 times you catch some kind of infection from him mouth?
Yeah.
So how you know him out and it's not him instrument?
Because he may not do nothing else with him. And at that may never have nobody.
Hold on. So the person you talk about him did just eat?
Yes.
Listen to me now, man. Listen to me now, man.
That's what him wants, Raga.
Well, years ago, it took me a long time to believe that was true. I am past that now. I had some students who used to tell me that, and I'd be like, nope, that's not true. You ladies are lying. And they're lying, yes, sir. You have some man, them don't want to do it with you. They just want to eat. That's all. I'm say, you sure, things that them want, can enough man say them want eat. Just, can them feel say if them eat, them can't get in after. And the women were like, no, sir, you have men, they only want to eat. So I said that, them reach that point there. We don't know, sir, them just want to eat and whatever. I didn't believe it at first, but I'm at a point now where a lot of women convince Raga, you need to shut up. We are women, we are tell you. Yeah, it's true.
Some
you
of them is just that them want.
I just that them want.
Them tell us that them want.
Isn't that? The man I tell us, that's why I tell us I get all in this thing here, because that is just so strange to me. How a man if he just want that alone from woman? Me not get it.
I don't know, Raga, it's just that he requested.
And then the 3 times you boss him and thing, and 3 times you get infected, the 3 times you allow him to swipe you, the 3 infection you get and you have to go get it clear up and all these things, though.
Yeah.
Damn. Then I
I
was
me say to him say him have sinus bad.
sinus.
Yeah, so and like him say 3 times him go there,
No,
his
no, no.
sinus
Hold
not
on, hold
drain.
on. Let me ask a chat. People, that sound like some BS to me. It sound like him have something else and whatever. People sinus can just like a constant infection, so. Hey, people, anything goes so. See, the people them say nothing no go so. There is something that about that man mouth and him not tell you, yeah, man. There is something about him mouth and him not keep it 100 and tell you. There's something in me. Or sometimes them all have things about them mouth and them not tell people. Well, I'm sorry. And them no know. Them no know so them have it. Him probably just hypothesize. Him probably a guess. And I say a sinus. Listen to me. Sinus no infect woman front. I have read. Right? From my extensive research on these things, I am not aware of any instance where, sinus on the part of men cause women to have infection and all these things. I don't know about none of go so and thing and him is a general. Is either him know or him don't know. So somebody say only gingivitis can cause bacterial infection. Well, all right. If him have a gum disease, I remember no two women is the same. So in terms of the makeup down there, you as a woman, you know that to some women, they're very sensitive. Some women, them have allergies. Some women can't even wear certain panty material, certain, what I say. What different women and thing. And then the other thing is everybody have a as a physiochemical order in their body, right? I am not an MD, right? I'm say Dr. Ragashanti, but that is Ph.D. I'm not an MD, so I'm not an expert on these things. But for whatever reason, some people think we just match really, really, really good, right? You have some people, yeah, a woman, she will sleep with 10 other men and she good, But you see, as a one man, if she go sleep with a one, she breed right away, right? You have some, them just match. And by the same token, you have some people, them just don't match. Once them interact with a person, it just causes a physiological reaction that is unpleasant. So I don't know if that is the case with you, but what somebody said about gingivitis, that makes sense to me. Because gingivitis is a significant bacterial infection. And you introduce that to that area on a woman's body, and depending on her makeup and the sensitivity of what's going on down there with her, it can cause problems, While a next woman may have a JoJo that is just resistant to them thing there and it not bother her because I just a fear thing makeup. So you may have a gentle, sensitive, makeup down there and it just not match with female. Or it's not even nothing about you. It's just him just have the bacterial infection there and it's there, period,
All right, Raga, take care. Have a good night.
But there is something there where him not tell. You feel same know what it is and I tell about a sinus?
Maybe me have to just run.
Oh, you just have to let him go down.
Yeah, because make sense. Him want to do that and it a cost me.
A cause problem and thing and health problem with you and you have to run go clinic up and thing and whatever and all them something there. Well,
Sometimes the money when give you, if doctor will take more on it.
G's and peace. Then yeah, when that happen now, you have a problem there, so you understand?
Have a good night.
Yeah, man. I'm respect for the meds and thing. I love you pointed to the point reasoning and thing. All right, bless up yourself. Cool. People, the date confirmed in a Ragabash. Amazura, Queens, New York, September 20th. Elegance and class, okay? Dress up something, red carpet, come, grown and sexy party, TamFam style, and I don't know it got Tambourine family. Raga something and thing. Queen Ash, large up yourself. In the meantime, people, we are juggling. I hear somebody get something now. Like a big up. Who that get it? Star Girl, Panga, somebody and thing. Mama Bird, large up yourself, you know. Shani Pepper, the Ear Gallery. I don't know. Big up on yourself, you know. You understand? No, me like TikTok. Ragashanti like TikTok. No, man. No, that's something I make me want to do. I'll look at chest wine. And even though I know right, I know I'm probably the goofiest person there is out there in the world, okay? I am silly. Okay, brap, 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 brap. Okay, let's go. Wedding mix-up or any other mix-up on have wedding mix-up or any other mix-up on have wedding mix-up or any other mix-up on have. Send on and don't hang on. All right? Yeah.
Raga,
Yo, greetings.
what's up, sir?
Yeah, I am up. I'm up and just doing really well.
I can see, man.
Yes.
I just tuned in for the first time,
All right.
and I just learned something. And when I hear that lady speak about whatever she got disease from a man's mouth, let me tell you something. I don't care what people do now, but I'm telling you, man is a disgrace.
Men are a disgrace.
Not all men. The man they will go down and the woman they're talking about eating. If you don't, if you're not cook, I'm not eating your ass. You better have seasoning, pepper, garlic, everything before me put my mouth on a woman.
What you say? You're not do no eating.
Oh no, man, I ain't doing that shit.
How old are you? How old are you?
I'm 54. I've never tried it and will never do.
Listen to me now. If I ask you some question, you promise you're going to tell me the truth.
100%.
You never yet chups it at least.
Never, bro. You think I would have called your program if
No,
Man,
no, because some people tell lie on their mouth. So when
that's what. Hey, that's listen, Raga. Some people. This is Steve. Not some people. I ain't know some people.
Steve.
Yeah.
You never. All right. You never kissed like round it yet. Like round.
Never.
Steve, you never kissed topside it yet.
Yo, me no pass the navel from the navel up. Me no go low below the no. No navel, yo. I leave Jamaica 1980.
Yeah.
I live in United States. Now I moved to Canada, okay?
Yeah.
I will never, ever
Yeah.
pass no woman neighbor, bro. Remember I tell you, I don't call the program to. I just joined because I hear what that lady said.
So when you a kiss her belly and I go down, you always tap at the navel?
Oh, me no pass the neighbor, bro. Anything on the neighbor, that's for down there, not for my mouth.
All right, listen what me I say. Even if you not go down there, so you have one, you see the side, which part her leg meet in a pan down her belly part, there like to the side and whatever. It's a very sensitive part of the woman. So hold on, man, Steve. Hold on, man. Hold on, man.
Right, go on.
Some say you never kiss over there so yet. You know that little part there. On the side, you know what I talk? Which part her leg meet to. Right, that's a sensitive part, woman, you know. You know. How we do you cut up some food? Steve, I cut up food?
Me just go to the grocery store and get some callaloo, go make some fried dumpling and callaloo.
You can make some fried dumpling and callaloo right now.
Yeah.
Wait, you go grocery store, go buy Canada you there right now?
Yeah, man.
Which part of Canada you there?
I'm in Toronto.
Toronto, all right, T-Dot. So when I say you never kiss to the side down there, so yet?
Me no kiss no side, bro.
Side. You don't know when I talk?
You said down to where?
Nah, man, you see like the neighbor in a middle, and you go like to the side, right where I leg me, right there says a sensitive. You never like, you know, kind of, you have a look style. Like, Well on, man.
Okay.
You have a look style like you go over, you know, like you can just use your teeth and nibble like pan. Women love that, you know, if you kind of, you can see if you like all pressing your tongue and twirl your tongue and whatever, them get like a good look of it. You never try them something there yet?
Me not try none of them something. Me know how for romance woman.
Yeah.
And me not have to go nowhere past no neighbor for romance nobody.
But Steve, you know things say some woman
The
think
further is me go to a woman vagina with my mouth have to come out of my mother. That's it.
all right then. But what me I say is, Steve, the woman, some woman think it's unfair that somebody like you know, you make woman give you, woman give you headers and thing, but you no want to do nothing for them.
Well, look here, me no want nobody suck on me, me can fuck a woman to satisfy
No,
them.
no,
Me no have to
no,
lick
no,
nobody to satisfy them.
Steve.
Yo,
No our work over here. We don't use the F word.
okay, sorry, sir.
All right, be a code.
Yeah.
Okay,
Respect,
be a
yeah.
code. All right.
Yeah,
So
man.
what me I say is, so all you get headers and thing, and you know want to give back look or something.
Huh? Hey, you know what to each is one, you know.
No,
Raga.
all right. When the woman them give you headers, you like it, don't it feel good though? Talk the truth.
Well, I'm gonna be honest, yeah, I feel good, but it's not really something where me really care about still.
Oh, you can't do without it then, yes, sir.
I
Right?
can 100%.
Oh, okay.
But be sure, let me tell you, I call the program just to tell you,
Yeah.
I will never, ever do that shit. Never.
Never.
Never. For what, man?
Okay, all right then. Okay.
That shit ain't made for my mouth. God make everything on your body for a special reason. Nose to smell, mouth to eat food, not to put on no woman,
All right,
bro.
but you all right, so but you kiss woman though.
Huh?
You kiss woman though, obviously, right?
Yeah, of course.
All right.
And I don't kiss people.
Hold on.
My-
Mega ask you something though.
Yeah, man.
I'm never see if
Go
you
ahead.
know this.
Uh-huh.
Did you know?
I don't kind of have an idea what you're going to
Yeah,
have.
well, all right, let me say it, if you think you know. Did you know that on average, in general, proven, scientifically proven, over and over and over again,
Scientists and them fuck.
listen to me,
yes. Okay.
that the female vagina is actually
It's cleaner than the mouth?
cleaner than the human mouth. Did you know that?
Okay. Oh, that's what they say in scientists. There's a lot of things they say in scientists, and it's not true.
Steve,
Uh-huh.
that is true. Steve, you know say somebody can bite you and you're dead from the bite. Did you know that?
Oh, I didn't know that.
Yeah, you can, yeah.
But
The
listen to this,
human
but-
mouth, the average vagina, Steve, is cleaner than the average human mouth. Hold on. Did you know that the human that vagina is a self-cleaning organ?
Oh, I heard that.
You heard that? Oh, you hear all of them something that boy you believe, but you won't
But
believe.
listen, this not Raga.
All right, put
Listen,
it this
Raga.
way. What
You-
I'm
you
saying,
said it's a self.
we're not.
It's a self-cleaning organ,
What?
right?
Yeah.
That's what you said, right?
Yeah.
But say the woman don't bathe for 2 days or 3 days.
Steve,
And
come
it
on,
stinks.
Steve, you're an intelligent man. That is different, you know. If we say somebody bathe every day and them don't bathe for 2 weeks, of course them are gonna smell. So we just say in general. Come on, you know what I mean, man. Nobody go down there, son.
for sure.
I listen to you and you're a thinker. So, you know, we may disagree, but at least we know you can think and reason. So that's different. If a woman don't care herself, of course, problem I go down there. Just as though if a man not care himself down there, he might go frown and stink to and stay bad and all these things and whatever.
For sure.
Okay, all right. So what may I say, Steve, given that you have more to fear from kissing a woman mouth than for kiss this and thing. In order to ensure your safety and your security and your good health, you don't think so you should, Steve? No, any woman you ever work with a woman and she a try to get you to do it and bring it up to you?
Oh, yes. They probably don't even talk to me after I said no, hell no.
Oh, so you have lost relationships because of that?
Oh, multiple times. I was with a girl. Today's what? Tuesday. And Sunday night.
Yeah.
And she bring that up. Can you do that for me? She's from Nigeria, and she said, "Can you do that for me?" I said, "After I finish with you, you put your clothes and get the F out. I ain't doing that."
That you
And it
tell
was
her.
done.
That you tell her.
Oh yeah, we ain't hear from her since.
I wouldn't. Because you're not bow around here.
I am not doing that, bro. Listen, where I come from, when I was growing up as a kid, I have 9 uncles. And they all live till their 80s in Jamaica. They're 80 years old. My dad died at age 95.
Right.
You understand? None of my family in male grew up doing that shit.
Okay, none of them do it. Are you sure?
I'm not 100% say I'm sure. But
Right.
how I grow and knew how they are, that ain't happening, bro.
Well, you probably can't speak for them. You never know. You'd have frightened.
Well, that's true.
You'd
That's
have
what I'm
frightened if
saying.
you
I'm
know
not
what is
100
in
That's
secret out there. Yeah.
That's why I said I'm not 100% sure.
Right.
You understand? The way
And you say you
Raga,
gotta hold
I
this,
said
and
to
you say
each-
you gotta hold this for the rest of your life, right?
to each his own, bro. Whoever wanna do it is fine with me.
All
That's
right.
why I don't
But
smoke.
you-
Cause no man can smoke no weed and give me a cigarette. Me not deal with them.
Yeah. But
Yeah, I
all
would
right.
never call you show, man, unless it was real for me.
It's real for you, and you just not do it and think. Even
Just
if
not do it.
and it's
Anybody who do
it's a
it, that's
deal
their
breaker
thing.
for you. If a woman say you have to do it for the relationship continue, you gotta say the relationship done. Because you're not doing it.
Done. You never have to call me again. That's it. Over, gone.
Exactly, and things. So Steve, you have a woman right now who you're there with outright?
Oh no, we kind of easy, you know.
You're kind of
Me just-
single, you know, don't?
Yeah, me just deal with them when me want.
When
Me
you
have
want.
everything when me want, you know.
Right, okay.
Yeah.
Ah.
So if me need a companion, me find it and it's over.
Yeah, you can one phone call and it lock and seal, don't?
And it's done.
And it done, because you're
You
good
see
like
what me
that.
do?
Yeah.
Me alone.
You alone. Yeah.
I'm
Yeah.
good.
Gangster. Yeah.
Yes.
All right, Steve.
But
Big
anyway,
up, big up yourself.
Keep up your good work and me I follow you from now, see?
All right, my general. Big up yourself. Here, sir.
Respect my brother.
Man, brap. Yeah,
All right.
cool. Yo, people, Steve say him nah do it. Him nah do it. Yeah, the man a cut up him calalo. Voila. Steve a cut up him calalo. All right. 1,700. Okay. We had a new subscriber today. Big up that person and things. See, they gone to 12. And thing, I don't worry. We soon have subscriber only live and thing and whatever. And sitting. So we have a new subscriber today. Big up yourself and thing who are joining. Gone to 12. TikTok do a thing when the subscribers reach 50. I don't even know what. This man is so beautiful. Shamoy. Beautiful? Shamoy, what do you mean by that? What do you mean by that? What do you mean beautiful? I think it's all about my personality, all right? So I'll just work with that. Here we go. All right, people, listen to me now. Remember, you know, nobody can make you unhappy. If you're unhappy, you make yourself unhappy, okay? And you need to do what you need to do to bring peace and happiness to yourself and things like that. And part of what I'm doing right here is to facilitate the conditions for you to make yourself happy. And we could learn a thing or two while we're doing it, okay? Good evening, Carla.
Hi, good evening, Raga. I didn't recognize that I'd accidentally joined the live.
You accidentally joined the live. Well, perhaps
Yeah,
this
I've
is
been
destiny in your case and things like. How are you doing, sir?
Not too bad. Let's say I'm actually in the UK.
Mm-hmm.
Life is up to as well. Well,
Mm-hmm.
I don't know the mix-up. To be honest, I'm not sure which mix-up to give you, but I have one here.
Yes. No. You just be natural and organic and thing and flow. Yeah.
Yeah.
So make we hear the one where you. Yeah.
Yeah, I have a older brother, right?
Yeah.
Oftentimes I tell people this story, they seem to say I'm lying, right?
Yeah.
So there's this woman that has 2 kids,
Mm-hmm.
right?
Mm-hmm.
My brother was with the younger one, 2 girls,
Mm-hmm.
right? He got her pregnant. After he got her pregnant, a few time passed. He was in the country at that time, St. James,
Mm-hmm.
Cambridge to be precise,
Right.
right? I was about 7 or 8 at the time
Mm-hmm.
when it happened.
Mm-hmm.
The older sister came down to spend some time. I guess she had some issue with her lover, right? The long and short of it is that my brother got her pregnant as well. Yeah?
Wow. Yeah.
She had a daughter for him. Years gone by. When I say years gone by, like, I think I was in my early 20s back then,
Yeah.
right? And she had the older sister had 2 kids before he got her pregnant.
Yeah.
She had her son and then she had a daughter. The daughter became of age,
Mm-hmm.
right? And I was over here at the time when I heard, that the said brother, got that daughter when she became an adult. She was about 23 at the time, got her pregnant as well, So my brother got 2 sisters pregnant, and that a daughter of the older sister pregnant as well, which is not his daughter. Let me clear that up. Yeah. So
Poopa Jesus. Because when you start, and I saw where the show was going, because I actually know of several. One of them was my good friend, who end up getting 2 sisters pregnant. But in this case, you're saying the man get 2 sisters pregnant, and then the second sister, she did have picnic before him. And when for them picnic they became of age and all them, something that him go breed one of her daughter what she did have before she breed for him, though.
yeah, definitely.
Jesus, but he knew it was her daughter, correct?
Yeah, he knew it was her daughter, but as I said, my brother, oftentimes I wonder, him not care. Literally, he doesn't care.
You have some man like that. You have some man. They don't. They don't.
Because from a personal level, I just see it as nastiness,
Yeah. I mean, you make a mistake with 2 sisters or something. Whatever. You see, once you're gone with the child type of thing, even though the child may be an adult age and whatever, and say you. Come on, no, come on, no, your brother really sunk low there,
Very low.
So when the family hears him do that now, what was the reaction?
All right, I remember before even that, considering the fact that you asked that question, it jogged my memory about an event that occurred prior to that year.
Yeah.
I remember at some point he was under accusation, said that when she was younger, that he perhaps had said something to her. Yeah, I confronted him about it because during that time I was working with him. Right? He's a businessman, so from a financial standpoint, those that financial like
He have money.
Yeah, him have money. Yeah. And I said money make woman have manners.
Right? That's his line. Money make woman have manners.
Yeah. So there was a time when there was some accusation that he had said something to her when she was in high school. Confronted him about it. So that wasn't true.
And him said it wasn't true.
He's a liar, but on most cases he tends to be honest. Yeah?
Well,
so you said that's how the family felt about it. So I asked him at a later date, so why? And he was like, I got blamed for it. So eventually I did it. Yeah, but the family was, they got destroyed over it. The said female, like the first one that he was with, he had other kids with her, But that was, I guess that was the hay that broke the camel's back, So for him to get her niece pregnant, the relationship
that was well hay straw that broke the camel's back. Right, okay. Right, okay. Oh boy, yeah, boy, your brother, he's one of them man. Obviously, him just don't care from a front, and him just not business.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah.
For real.
I
have another one, but I'm not gonna give you this one today. That's
all
for
right.
later date.
Yeah, man, just link go back and thing. Yeah, all right. Big up yourself over there in England. All right.
All right, take care.
Yeah, man, respect. Wow, that man there. The man there, man they sink low. A man they sink low. All right, here are people. All right, like the live. It's this thing in here, when there are 280,000 likes. But you see when there 1,700 over this. It would be nice if we got 2,000 today, though. All right. And follow me. If you're not following me right now, follow me now. Right? Just write this upon the screen. Follow me, right? See, we're on a goal right here, people. We want to go to 100,000 right now. We're at 62,500 and change and thing. All right. So, yeah, step up your thing and spread the word. All right. Follow me. I make them know Ragashanti there on TikTok now. Problem. I would have them put it on by my face right there. So, problem Ragashanti up on TikTok. Problem, Sexy Fire, Maxine. Some people are coming and follow me now. All right, like the live. Oh, we're at 294,000. Bring it up to 300,000 for now. Bring it up to 300,000 for now. Like the live. Tap the screen. Like the live. Okay. You know, we're going to start. We're just bringing a whole heap of them, and then if anyone connect, rather than for do them one at a time. Hello? Did you mean to call in? Hello? Hello? We just hear you say something a while ago, so nobody did it now make the noise and whatever, because we all see your name too, a TikTok. So say something, man. Me hear you laughing, you know. Say something. Say you're going to make my ball out your name. I'm going to put your name on parchment paper and send it to them and don't St. Mary.
Mistake, Raga.
I missed it. Then you never tell me say I mistake. You make me a fair joke. Me hear your little voice around there laugh, you know. Come here and say, what ya? Like Jesus, how this come on? Until you there, you not say nothing. All right, big up yourself here.
Okay.
She dead with laugh. Oh, God, that was funny. Okay, here we go. We're having fun. We have nice time. Remember that song from Jamaica? Long time. We don't have no nice time. Do you, yeah. Think about that. My birthday party, September 28th, Amazura, Queens, New York. Good night. Caller, how are you?
Hi, good evening, Raga.
Wagwan.
Yeah, well, you can mix up with your master.
Box me in my nastiness with it, say that.
Two backside.
Sure. I like you. Yeah.
So, my daughter listen to you because she don't want me to call you and tell you, you know.
Yeah.
So you want to know.
Yeah.
I have a son.
Mm-hmm.
And I have 4 kids.
Yeah.
So my oldest still live in Jamaica.
Uh-huh.
So I call him like every day and we talk and I will text him and I say, love you.
Cool. Mm-hmm.
But I don't know what. We ain't go find one girl one day, master. And Raga,
Mm-hmm.
the girl going on my son's phone.
Mm-hmm.
That church one Sunday morning.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, like come go in a church and sit down. Me see one text come from my phone. Then I go talk about my son's name. I go just give him a name.
Yeah.
Where you know John Brown from?
Yeah.
I said, Todd, who this? I don't answer. The text come back again. And I say, who is this? And me and girlfriend. So I say, where you want to know where me know him from?
Exactly, precisely.
He say, because we can use swear word.
Yeah, but not the F one.
All right.
Or any PU word.
Yeah, all right. He say, because we can't say effing word, right?
Effing, yeah, you can't say effing.
She said, because I mean F him.
Yeah.
F him.
Yeah.
So I say, So, me I go and pay attention to church.
Yeah.
The Raga, the girl send me some voice note.
Jeez,
Dirty girl. You a send me man text. I want to catch you from acid you face and that. I want acid you girl if I catch you. You have very number you call me man.
Yeah.
And you come tell me man how much you love him. Dirty thing, girl.
So,
I want to catch you.
Well, she style you up and tell you anything about your body parts and them something.
Rub me out in a rubber.
Rub you out to nothing.
Rub out me
Jesus, she talk up some sitting there and style you up and say something sitting about you, know.
Raga, me head in a church and spin like a gig.
Jeez.
So me come out of the church and
Yeah.
go in the car.
Yeah.
And me voice note her.
Yeah.
And me say, can I call you? What you want to call me for dirty girl and the man you want to chat to? You can me to call you, man.
Yeah.
And me call her.
Yeah.
She answer the phone.
Yeah.
She say, nobody can't waste me time now, you know. You want to know where you know John Brown from. You want to know where you know John Brown from.
Yeah.
So me say to her, say, you want to know? Talk up. No waste me time. Because no want this, no want that with you, no want this. I mean, I go on and no man.
Go on, cause yeah, man, you're tied with her no man, yeah, man.
Go on her. And then she said to me, say, me want to know when you come to Jamaica for me, want this and me want that with you and me want this.
Yeah, one pop your cloth anytime you drop a Jamaican thing. I bet you're not bright enough to come down to Jamaica, pop your cloth for you. Yeah, such a style, you know.
So, me want to go back in a church, go enjoy service now, so me want to close it off now, you know.
Yeah.
Say, you give me, and she go on, you know.
Yeah.
Say, you give me a chance, and you just go and run your mouth. You give me a chance, you say you want to know where me know him from.
Yes.
So can you give me a chance to tell you?
Yeah.
Yeah, call me, yeah, made and all kind of stuff. You say, all right.
No, not the Yamet. She went there, she Yamet you up, no.
Mr. Raga, me say, if you rub me, me say, nobody never rub me out yet, you know.
Yeah.
So, you me to her now. You want to calm down and tell you where me know him from?
Yeah.
Me say, I know John Brown, Tom Brown. So me tell her him first name and him middle name and him last name, you know.
Yeah.
Me know John Brown, Tom Brown from August the 2nd, 1982 because he come out of my pee before he go in a for your pee.
Yes, man, me love it. Me love it. What you say?
So me say to her, say me know John Brown, John Tom from the 2nd of August 1982 because he come out of my pee before he go in a for your pee. That's my son B. Me say I fast, she hang up the phone.
She hang up the phone, quick, do a
She hang up the
shame.
phone so fast, so me call my son save time.
Mm-hmm.
And me call my next 3 kids and tell them and send them a text message. My son call her, you see?
Mm-hmm.
And my son done her, she call me a ball, you know.
She call you on a ball. She call you on a ball.
Me said, don't mommy me because me could have never have sitting like you.
G.
And me said, I tell my son, say, if I ever hear he say I to you, I call your number again, me put him back where God take him from. God, sitting like you enough in my family.
See it there.
Me say, she bar.
Flap herself.
So me ask my son where she get me number from. My son say no, say a Facebook he meet the girlfriend and he carry her go beat her one night. And the girl take his phone and go
and him carry her and put her one pan her and then she go take your phone. Yeah.
And that's how I made.
And she had the Yamen and thing, Friday, man. Nothing about she thinks say yes, some of them and she want to get you out and thing and whatever, you know. I feel a regular should do them something there.
Right?
Yeah.
My daughter, them put it on panel, you see.
Oh, you mean she out there, man. You know, so when it come to mothers, that's sacred something that, you know, sacred.
Right.
Nah, man, she cross the line. Not me don't even say cross the line 2 miles for describe where she go on. She out there, she lucky and another family where them, because you know, some people, you step to them mother and whatever, you know, then go look for you, you know, and make you understand yourself, you know. Yeah, she forgive thanks that never reach her. She out there and bright.
Jamaica, me there because me that tell her, me that the house now, come.
Come over, me over here for you and thing, yeah. Yeah, man, I'm make sure me not wear skirt. Me have my one jeans. So come over here right now.
Everybody jump out. Oh no, come on, my cousin, them they know the story. They watch it.
What them in a chat?
Yes, man.
Them in a chat. It's a family affair. Yes, man. All right. All right, mommy, big up yourself for your love and blessings. All right, cool. Yeah, man. No, sir, make it sure nice. Oh. Like the live and follow me. You want to do that bubblegum something there and think, hey. No, man. That bubblegum something there. Boy, the technology, you know, them not care where your mouth there, you know. The thing find your mouth and fling your bubble gum in your mouth, you know. That don't ever sound right. No, yeah. I care where your mouth there. Find your mouth and fling your bubble gum in your mouth, don't. Yeah, see the likes never go up there though. And the follow, alright? So if you watch the show, follow me. Follow Ragashanti if you watch the show. Who is doing that? Who are doing? Who are doing the bubblegum something there? It's who are doing the bubblegum something? God, listen to me now. Remember, you know, anybody that listen to me for a long time, you know, it's Ragga with the innocent mouth. Right? In the year Steve Kyle and whatever, it's Ragga with the innocent mouth. Don't try come style up my mouth, you know. That me I tell you now. All right, watch it right. At this point, any mix-up when I come in with, just come in with the mix-up there, you know. I could say, all right, I could get somebody else now. Like the live. Just tap the screen and like the live. Yeah, and then follow me. Okay. Hello.
Raga,
Hello. Yeah, hello.
I'll come back again. I want to meet Steve tomorrow on the show because Steve over here tell lie.
Oh, well, yeah, you the call earlier on. You're the first caller. I just a pick up and thing and whatever. Yeah. So what you mean? You want?
so-
No, you see, you're going like you love a challenge, you know. You're going like, God, listen to me. You know much woman me talk to, oh, say. When then love hear the man them when them say, oh, me would I never do it, me never do it, yet I never do it. And them say them just always just keep back quietly because them said, no man, me can't get him for do it. I can't get him. Okay.
Of
So,
course.
what?
I them woman and them man love challenge, you know.
I do mean say woman and love them challenge. So you think you could have get Steve for do it like you say, ah, you know what, just for the fun night. What the hell? Them TikTok something them not easy, you know. Anyway, so you think say you could have get Steve for do it?
Of course.
The man say him not never do it. The man say him not do it from him born and no woman can get him for do it. And that the man say. So you can't go and talk where you talk. The man say him nah do it. The man say any old pepper can go upon it and him can't juke it up with him knife and fork him. Not eating it. And that the general say.
Wait now, you see if him did say him not ready yet.
If
What
him-
I understand with him. When just come up powerful like
Yeah, then the man a powerful
No,
can
no,
sure.
no.
What wrong with that? The man say nah do it. Why? What wrong with that? Eh?
if me book him the first night, I done it done.
No, not with Steve. Not with Steve. You wanna get Steve for do it. Then I hear Steve say, Steve, the way Steve say it, you know, him don't ever frighten, you know. Like if you say, yo, Steve, and you not do this, you don't even not get for do so and so. Steve would have said, you know, care, come, leave my house and go on.
I feel like trying at the public day.
Do you say, true, I'm there on the radio and you think, so are you saying Steve I tell lie on him mouth?
Yeah.
You can't say that. You have some man now do it, man.
Listen, it take the right person to take out certain things out of certain people.
It take the right person to get certain things out of certain people. In other words, it take the right person to get Steve or get somebody like a Steve to do it, no?
Yeah.
Nah. But me know enough situation when man end up do it and swear, you know, and whatever. And when they do it, then don't even, all some of them when they start, then don't even know so them they start do it and whatever. They reach and thing like that. Well, hey, you know so the best one. I want you know, anybody that listen me long time, when I go remember this. A woman used to there and gunman at Jamaica, you know. And when she and him do so one time, you know. You know, some man kind of sneaky, you know. So him there a kiss.
No woman sneaky. Nobody say kind of.
Woman sneaky. Well, all right,
Yeah,
good.
put it away then.
So she said when she did it and whatever, you know, and him a kiss her, she do that look of something there and you know, and I ease up her body and I pushed ease up her body and pushed down him. And then when him go say no, hey girl, what I do? She said, you know, you can't take a little kiss her. She said the man get wicked. The man get wicked and say, and I ever do that when a BC clot, a big gunshot you get, hey girl, this you disrespect bad man and whatever. She said the man get wicked. She said she swear she got dead the way the man get angry. And she apologized and she said, never again. Me not do it, sorry. And rough her up to, you know, tat her up, you know, she get some tat up to, you know. And whatever, not with the gun, you know, but some tap and whatever, and him say, oh, hey girl, away I do boom, 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 boom. See, some people are post and I said, remember the show. She said, about a year, little boy, a year later. She said,
Raga,
well, I know.
let me
She said, about a year later, one day she and him a do so. So she said she noticed him draw her come the edge of the bed. And she said, when he draw her the edge of the bed, him go up on him knee. And she said, him reach under the bed and take out him gun. So she said, him put the gun on with him left hand, which is for her right side, him put the gun beside her. She did at the edge of the bed, you know, and her foot down off at the edge of the bed, and the gun put beside her. And she said she see him reach underneath the bed again. And she said him come up with a tin of Betty milk we open and ready. And she said the general just go so and chops look like the milk in it, you know, probably if I cut off look like the little sodium, the salt. Voila! She said the general just chops little Betty milk in it. You can't know, say the boss stink it out, you know, and match it out, you know. And she said, yeah, and put on back in milk, and then the boss just start drink up him little milk drink when he mix up and thing and whatever. She said she not say nothing to him about it. Him not say nothing to her about it. And it was done. And the gun, the understanding was there. If you ever go tell anybody I call my name, say me do it, I dead, you're dead. And she understood that. And she take her little oral blessings that he laid on her and sanctified down there with him tongue and all these things and whatever, and give her a proper fixing and things. So you never know. Even the body man them will do them things, you see.
Yeah, but as I say, it take the right person to make a lady turn a freak, and it take a good woman make a man turn a freak. Once a man comfortable with him.
Some man just not do it though. Some man just not.
No, may I tell you?
You know, say you're stubborn.
May I tell you something, man?
Listen to me, man. Me say some man you cannot get them to do it.
All right.
Mm-hmm.
How old were you old?
But me I listen to you. You basically I say you can't get any man to do it. If you want him to do it, him I go do it, because you go get him to do it.
Yeah, once they're comfortable there.
Yeah, once I'm but me I say, but you not believe say a man can comfortable, I love you too. And just say me nah do it. And you can't get him to do it. Oh, you not feel so?
Yep.
Eh?
Yep.
All right then. All right. But anyway, I'm going to bung some other call in the night here. Bossy gone. Eh?
No.
Bossy did it?
We just don't talk my story till tomorrow 6.
You just want what?
I'm not going to talk my story till tomorrow 6.
Oh, all right. Now say a word, man. Big up yourself, all right?
Hype up the show, you know.
Eh?
Remember, me have to hype up the show.
All right. Now say a word, man. Big up yourself, man. That's why I keep up your energy and take some more car before me. Because I not stay late tonight. You think you don't have me to stay hours. All right. Bless up yourself here. Okay, cool. Follow me right now. Sweet Julie, big up yourself. You know, Antasha, large up, CBS, big up yourself. Big up all subscribers and all these things and whatever. Good evening, Carla. What's up?
Hi, good evening, Raga.
What's up?
Oh, nothing much. Just getting off my 12-hour shift.
Are you a nurse?
I'm so happy to... Absolutely not.
Oh.
Not right now.
Not right now. No, because you know nurses, they routinely do 12-hour shifts. That's why I was asking.
No, in the medical field, but not a nurse.
Not a nurse. Okay. All right.
Not as yet.
Not yet.
Oh.
You plan to be a nurse at some point? You're going to be a nurse at some point?
Oh, yes.
Okay. Go you. Yeah, man. You can't do it, man. All right? Blessings.
All right.
Talk to me.
Thank you.
Mm-hmm.
I've been listening to you from New York.
Yeah.
So, I'm happy to hear that you're on TikTok now.
All right. Blessings.
Anyway, I met this gentleman in January at my aunt's night.
Yeah.
It was a little bit pushy.
Mm-hmm.
And No, I was like, oh. I was like, why am I go so hard?
Mm-hmm.
Want to hold my hand and all of this extra stuff.
Mm-hmm.
But I get really nervous easily.
Mm-hmm.
So, I was like, why you want to hold me on for? Why you look for me so hard?
Yeah.
So then the man give me a number,
Mm-hmm.
and then I also gave his friend my number. And then I look for relationships, but
Wait, why you give his friend your number?
just to talk.
His friend?
Yeah,
Well,
all three of them come down to country.
no, but if him give you a fee number, why you give a friend your number?
His friend I met the friend first.
Did the friend ask you for your number?
Yeah.
You did like the friend more than him?
No.
Yeah.
I mean, he had nice shoulders, but
He has nice shoulders.
yeah, I'm a sucker for shoulders.
Yeah, spoken like a true woman. You guys always notice some weird things. We keep it simple, It's like face, breasts, and legs, and that era.
Yeah, well,
Uno would say something like, "Oh my God, I met this guy. He had the most wonderful ears."
Oh, no. That's a little bit different.
Yeah.
No. Yeah. But they were nice.
Yeah.
Gentlemen and whatever.
Yeah.
But the one friend brought him down to meet me. The guy that liked me.
Yeah.
Like really wanted to date me.
Yeah.
So anyway, we've been talking from January. He came up to the city that I'm living in now.
Mm-hmm.
He's been acting strange, like on the phone, like how could I put it nicely? Behavioral health issues.
What do you mean?
He gets mad very easily. Like if I didn't call, he gets upset.
But you and him not there?
All right. And I'm a man. May I get to know you? And you're getting to know me. You want to call me every morning, every night, on my breaks. So me get fed up.
Mm-hmm.
All right?
Mm-hmm.
So, and if I video call him, he wants to see me. Or not, or vice versa, if I step away. I call him on to my voicemail. I was like, oh,
If you video call him, he wants to see you.
Yeah, like see my face.
He wants to see your face.
Yeah.
But
like if me step away.
So why you video call him?
Sometimes you want a little, you know what I'm talking about.
No, you have to help me here, because
exotic moments.
Oh, so you guys are. So hold on now. No. You're leaving out stuff, man. Are you? So you guys are at that point where that happened. You guys do that, stuff like that on the video, right?
Yes, that happened a couple.
Nah, but you're not tell with the thing good because you give it the impression say you're not with the man.
Yeah, well, eventually I started liking him until I saw the behavioral health problems.
You're being vague and ambiguous. You need to be direct. This is a show where you can be direct, right?
Well, you remember the show there? He just had a bad behavior, like he just getting upset at the littlest thing. He has an ex-girlfriend. We have keys to his house, and I said, well, that's not so normal.
And them something that you have tell me, on a show like this, you can't just say he has a behavioral problem. You have just say, no, this man, I met the man for me and him have one woman who have key to him house same way.
I carry grocery come in the yard. So me say,
yeah, them something that you have tell me.
Doing Uber Eats?
Nah, Uber, what you asking me, she do Uber Eats?
Uber Eats, she just carry grocery come in and bring your favorite stuff. That don't make sense.
All right, but
me not there. Me and I can lay down in a bed together. Me not have to do nothing. Me say, me never see a man lay down with an ex-woman and your ex, and you not go feel up.
Yeah.
But
no, hold on though. But this may turn out to you just telling us, a story and thing, and it's not necessarily a mixer. So may I ask you, like, what is the key thing, though? What is the key thing here?
Well, he came here because I had a procedure, and he said, "Oh, Mega, come down." Meanwhile, this is a over 9-hour flight, right? So he came to my city because he had other relatives here. And he said, "Oh, man, come stay with you and with you, my brothers, my nephews."
No, you see, you're doing that again. You're telling me extraneous thing. Just tell me what the mix-up is, Yeah. Because you could just end up telling me everything that happened between you and this man, and it's not necessarily for the show.
We had great,
Huh?
we had great, can I say the S word?
No, sort out. We say sort out here.
Sort out.
Yeah, so the sort out turn up. Yeah.
For the 2 weeks.
For the 2 weeks.
But one night,
yeah.
2 weeks of
yeah.
sort out. One night, me decide, say, no man, me have to get a rest. The man get upset and go lay down on the couch. Me just put on my blanket over my head.
So, when him come under there for 2 weeks and think, we not do it every night, and probably 2 times a day.
Night.
Or probably 2 times for all some of the day them two and thing. And one night, you know, do it and thing, him get upset and thing.
No, man, me did sore.
You did?
Me couldn't do it.
Oh, yeah, bruise up, no?
Yes.
Yeah, and him start going and you say,
yes.
Well, you need to be careful of that situation. Then,
all right.
Yeah, you need be careful.
I got rid of him though.
Yeah, huh?
I got rid of him. So the final straw for me was like, this not look good.
Okay.
So the man I leave now. And
quick, let me bring in some other people. Yeah.
I was supposed to take him to the airport and I couldn't do it at that particular time. So I said, "Oh, I'll call you an Uber. If you hear the bad word the man tell me." Remember, so we leave the house good enough. And by the time me reach down, say, "What the BC Claude you send me? You gonna take me at airport? Move you, what's it not Claude?" Guess what me do? Left him right in front of the house and go where me and go.
Wow.
Yep.
Wow.
I had enough.
Right. I mean, he has a right to feel a little bit disappointed that you say you're gonna take him and then you're not. But that wasn't necessarily the most productive way to have dealt with it, you know?
No, I told him I had an appointment. I gotta go. You know? And then you change things. I said, okay, well, I'll pay for your Uber. The man tell me to move me, what's it not?
All right. Okay. But you extricated yourself from that unpleasant situation. Listen, all right. Thanks. Bless up one thing. Thanks for sharing that one here.
All right. Have a good time.
Yeah, man. You take care. Blessings. Respect. Cool. Go over here, so now. Who this? Who this? Trenchtown.
What are the orange fire thing? A mistake.
Wait, a mistake?
You may say. Raga, tell the people them say them not talk not lively, hot up story. We not have time for them next.
Yeah.
I'm bored up the thing, man. I have time for that, Raga.
People, I'm a charge of this, foundation charges, especially name Trenchtown. Just know that this or I think there. You understand?
When I want the boring name.
Yeah.
Come with the story, we are going to lick it to 6.
Yeah.
After the program.
Yeah. This I'm a proper friend. All of them gonna talk for years, we still good. You understand? Trenchtown, where go and boo-boo?
One day I'm going to fight this again, I don't know. But we have life for good.
You see it. Big up yourself, man. Love and blessings, man.
Big up yourself to my Jenna.
It goes some man and thing. What going over in the CT there? Them a behave themselves?
Them Africans that war run around here.
How that go?
Them have to behave themselves that war run the place.
Yeah, me see what go on. All right, big up yourself, man. Say it's an accidental connection. Don't worry yourself, man. See?
I never ever realized to hear my name calling on the earpiece.
Said Trenchtown, what go on? All right, good as. Bless up yourself.
Big up, brother.
Yeah, man. Cool.
Bye.
Queen Ash. Bless up, boo-boo. Yeah, so we soon reach 63,000. We're going to exceed that and thing. Craig Town, big up yourself, you know, all of my England family. London, England, big up on yourself, everything. Vanessa, large up, Queen Nash, Stacey Henry, Kalia. Yo, people, the Rock mix-up gone viral, you know, man. Yo, I'm telling you, know, from Namibia, London, France, my friends in Paris, right? Jamaicans are in Paris. Of course, Jamaica. I'm just telling you some of the random places. People like, yo, me hear you know that's something and whatever. The Rap mix-up gone viral. And crazy people remix it. You know social media go, a whole heap of people remix it and thing like that. Yeah, man. The Rap mix-up. Rocky! Rock, big up yourself, you know. You think Ghana lead right you know. Wicked. All over the Rap mix-up there. All right, here we go. Greetings.
Greetings, Raga. Good evening.
What's up?
My day here, you know, I have a story to tell you.
Senna.
So years ago, you know, I go on with some things with this boy, you know.
Yeah.
I tell you, so the boy I deal with the thing away, you know.
Yeah.
I'm have one of them something the way you have to just take your time and ease your way in.
Right.
Because if you don't, it'll go cause problems.
Problem. The door hard for open to the living room. Hard for open and thing.
All when it open, Raga, is still closed. I don't know what to do with it. It's a blessing and a curse.
Brah. Okay, yeah.
A serious thing, me I tell you, know.
Yeah.
Like literally go to the gynecologist and I have to tell it, say, yo, you have to know how to deal with the 1 year. If not, you have to switch your position and make sure so the thing well. Yeah. Because me I say the boy I go on with himself and I tell us a rag, I don't know what happened, you know. But me tell him, say, yo, you have 1 minute. If you're not bust it off in a 1 minute, you have to go move.
How long? No, girl, big up, you know. But how long him did I go on?
Boy, Rock, I not even know because I tell us a pain that kill me. I say, all of my belly bottom cramp up. Cold sweat, I wash me, everything.
So what you say, boy? Half hour, 45 minutes, an hour?
No, not that long. Not that long.
But how long?
But I say probably a good 10 minutes night, maybe less. But I could feel the pain. It was so bad.
Hold on. Him did heavy?
Raga, him heavy. I'm going to deal with heaviness, you know.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I'm not deal with heaviness. I always say, even if I want to look a Chinese man, I'm good with it.
You're good with it because because you threw the door so hard for what you will work with it.
Yes, Raga, I'm tell us it.
Okay.
I'm going to say, when the pain lick me, no man.
Yeah.
I'm going to say, I have 1 minute now, my man. At that time, the man, what time I going to tell him that? At that time, the man pick up speed. Jesus Christ, Raga.
Man, I try finishing in a minute, no?
Mr. Raga, remember me tell us, you see, when the man done, I curl up on the ground, you know. Cold sweat, I wash me, I shake. I send the man if we go get tea. Me tell him if we go get warm towel. Me tell him if we go boil water. When me take a stock now, my phone start ring. So I answer the phone.
Right.
I say, hello. I'm my mother.
Your mother. Yeah.
She said, Natalie, what happened to you? I said, Mommy, me no feel good, Mommy, me no feel good. She said, what do you? I said, Mommy, me no know, Mommy, me belly hurt me, Mommy. So she said, yeah, I said, me can't talk now, Mommy, me no feel good, me feel like me are dead. So I hang up the phone.
Yeah.
I said, by the time I hang up the phone, right, me hear my door knock, boom, 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 boom.
What? You said that to your mother? Well,
yes.
Your mother live near to you?
Yes, Mr. By the time my sister Raga, me hear the door a beat off.
Yeah.
So you're the youth now, who that a knock the door? So I said, I know when I go open the door, because I can't move, you know, I curl up on the ground, you know.
Yeah. All right, yeah.
I tell her, say, when the youth open the door now, I look coming at the room. Mighty God.
Mummy
My mother and
rolling.
my father.
Your
My
mother and
mother
your
and my
father.
father.
Yeah. No, but oh, you gonna tell your mother say you feel like you go dead. What you think gonna happen? Are your mother that trigger her right
My
away?
mother.
Everything drop. She come over your house. So
Raga, my
yeah.
mother and my father. I'm not telling you, my mother and my father are two prayer warrior, you know. I'm not telling you, I'm big prayer warrior, you know. So what this?
So what happened now? So them never see bossy. Them see bossy though, don't.
Because I him open up the door.
Right.
When he come in, when she come in now.
When him up the door, what him did in him did in a underpants or him they put on clothes. Eh?
No man, we put our clothes
He
and
put
come
on
in
clothes.
here the door now. I'm
Yeah.
gonna put on something fast, you know.
Yeah, yeah.
So so me look now, my mother and my father come in now and
Right
I
away
say,
our
oh,
prayers.
I say, the two of them come in and Mr. Fanning come in, you know, them surround me on the ground, you know, and drying on with my youth.
Yeah.
Mr. Raga,
Yeah.
the people that put on a piece of prayer and the day and remember me tell
So what up?
you. People that put on a piece of prayer and I tell us, say, Mr. Holy Ghost, take them over in our room and answer the youth and look for me, you know.
No, he did the right thing. Your mother and your father coming right there, so and I me, they just a
Mr.
shell you out. Prayer
Let
time.
me
If your
tell us,
mother and your father say prayer
Mr.
time, I humble myself and whole and I'm farm circle too.
Me
Yeah.
say, Raga them put on some breed of prayer over me and me there on the ground curl up and the man a look for me, you know, and me a look back on the man, you know, and me say them pray, and them say, all right, how you feel now? I say, mommy, me feel a little better now.
Well, here's the thing, though, you know. Sometimes them things fly over some fathers' head, but mothers have a way for know. You think your mother didn't know what go down?
I believe that because once the guy opened up the door, I know they're probably thinking something else that go on our belly. You understand what I say?
Yeah.
So anyway, them didn't know and them didn't and them I say, them help me up on the bed. So they help me up on the bed now and they two of them leave. Yes, when they two of them leave, man look at me and him saying, so you, me, nah give you none again. Me, the way how your mother and father come there, come pray for me, look away. Because girls people laugh to me when you say the way your mother and father come there, come pray, look fine. No, sir.
Yeah, that was a bit of an ordeal, yeah.
Yeah, so when I tell him, I say, but I did tell you, you know, my youth, so you have to take your time, but you
Yeah.
just get carried away. I say, take your time because if you don't take your time, you'll cause problem. Then my
Yeah.
body are going to shock, and me I go start shake, and me I go start tremble, and me I go cold sweat and wash me, and me in a really
Well,
serious
to the
state.
best of your knowledge, is your, you know, America, is it
Yes,
low?
I
Is
have
it
been to,
low?
yes,
Yeah, low.
I have
Okay.
a shallow wound,
Yes. So yeah, you have
yeah,
to so the
yeah.
no man can deal with you
You
in
can do it,
well
but you
in
have
other
to
zone
enjoy
they
it.
no that thing there was some man have what them feel them have to approve something that not gonna work with you.
No, you have
You're
to
not gonna
make sure that
enjoy.
I'm well,
Yeah.
lubricated
Right.
and take
Right.
your time and work with my body, you know. But if
Right.
you just come and no, it's not gonna work.
Right, right.
No, no, no. You
That
know.
ram something down your thing, you
No. You
know.
have to make
Yeah.
love to me and take your time and make
Yeah.
sure I'm ready, my body
Yeah.
warm
Well
up and
lubricated
you
and
know.
gently and wind
Yes,
up in
yes,
night
because
nice
but
and
Raga, a
slow and
couple
all
time
that
well
sitting.
man, me go emergency room, man.
Eh?
Couple time well me go
Couple time
emergency
went,
room.
Lord Jesus, you go through it in life and thing like that.
So, you know, because of that, once I see it, I don't even want it, you
You
know?
once you see what?
If you show me something, I'm sister too heavy, me I say, no, sir, keep that.
If you see
Unless you
something
know how to operate the machine good.
if you see something and it look heavyish and thing, you
No,
also,
I don't want it.
some people and run down big things and you know run down big
No,
things. I know your thing
no,
that.
no.
No. When woman a kill up
And it's
themselves over this and I say, what a nice size. You're like, nope, not me.
no, I can work with whatever size, small, medium, large, but you have to know
No how to
if it's
use it.
small, exactly. If it's
Okay.
small, it's fine. I still feel it. As you put it in, I feel it. If it's medium, I still feel it. But
Right.
if it's large, you have to know how to work.
Right,
You
right,
understand?
right,
But
right.
you can't just come on a boom, boom. No. You will hurt me.
No, but
Hmm.
I remember this, when you're young, I come up and thing and you hear one thing from the man, them and thing, and I remember, when we get old and thing, a friend of mine, she was telling me, son, you just need to shut up and listen. Let me tell you something. And her thing was, as long as it's not teeny weeny bitch, but she said for women in general, them not want nothing, them can't feel nothing, but she said more important is what you do with it, because she said a lot of men have big something, and she said women don't enjoy it. They don't enjoy it at all, and whatever.
No,
And,
I don't, because I can't get to relax. It's like I'm shaking. I can't get to relax to enjoy it. So, it's not about the size for me.
You're right.
It's how the
But listen,
person
somebody in the
works it.
chat, she not listen to you, but girl, you're missing out. Celebrate.
I'm not
But
missing
she
out,
not
trust
missing out
me.
anything, listen. For she
I'm not missing out.
she will get half of what you are take celebrate and still experience more pleasure than what you make, than what you get with your 12-inch.
Exactly.
You understand? And that if you understand,
You know,
what she say. Boy, you're
the thing
missing out.
about it is, it's well comfortable. No man can never have any complaints.
See
Once they
there?
enter, it grab them like a vice grip. Like
Yeah.
hold it.
Yeah,
You understand?
that grip.
Yes,
Hallelujah.
yes,
Hallelujah.
yes. They can't complain about that. That's one. It
Yes,
could be a
yes.
blessing, like I said, and a curse at the same time.
Right.
But
No, because you
it
have
don't
some
matter.
door, you ever go to some place, and when you push the door, if you're not careful, the door will come back and all slam on you, the way the door kind of, are you one of them door there you have, you understand?
One of them doors
You have to be
there.
careful
Yes.
when you're going on them door there, man.
You have to be careful.
Yeah. And you may hurt yourself too if you don't mind, child.
So therefore, I always tell them, and them always know when them start out, make sure say, the body get warm up and them doing the thing proper and ease them way.
Yeah.
Let me ask for it. If I want more, let me be the driver of my car. Let me
Yes.
tell you if I
Right.
can handle a little bit more and a little bit more.
Yeah.
And you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Yeah.
But I
I
come
always
with
say
a
women
proof.
are the drivers of their car. It's my car. You're not gonna,
No, if some man just humble himself and just listening, and nothing wrong if the woman tell him what work for her, that is a good thing. At least you do what she love. You understand? Anyway, blessings and respect for that one day. Yeah.
Let's talk Raga.
It got
Yeah,
some
man.
man. Manners, man. Cool.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, big up proof, big up and thing, but you know that's something there, some women, they have shallow womb and thing, and so it's not about you getting like the fullness of the length and thing. For some women, 10 long, 10 strong is not good, for some women, 10 long, 10 strong. For some women, a 6 would give them a good fix. All right? I just made that up. Right? A 6 is a good fix. All right? Yeah. And, you have to listen. And, even if you don't listen to what she has say or whatever, listen to her body, because, that's something there. Good pain and bad pain, right? Good pain is okay, but bad pain, there's nothing wrong. Stop. I would like to think the focus is for her to enjoy it and not so much for you to think that you make she bad. It's Jamaica. Hey, whenever you're Jamaican man, when Jamaican man talk about sort out, it's always this violent imagery, Yo, you chop it. Yo, you get the kill. I'm a murder something last night, I tell you. When Jamaica men talk about sort out, it's just, it's about aggression and whatever and thing like that. A lot of them, they don't know how to make love. They really don't know how to make love, because there's this emphasis on, this Rambo type of, oh God, I did not say Rambo. When you say Rambo, so you give your age right there, so, Once you use term like Rambo, you give your age right there, saying, yeah, Mars Raga, old man. Anyway, wedding mix-up or any other mix. At this point, it's just mix-up because people just like, see one, Celia Berry. Celia did that show a word a while ago. I talk about the woman I miss out. I could bring her in right now. Celia. Yeah. Celia, you throw a word for Nat. I talk about
Raga,
Nat,
leave me alone.
but she miss out and thing. You know, listen to the woman and all them something there. What a way you strong with your thingy because you know you're good like that, though.
Raga, later England now.
It later England now, so we have pepper the woman, but you don't know what with
You
you.
know my bed with my big good man.
Yeah. It's a big instrument here. All right.
Big
Big up your boss. Big up your boss. Bossy. You know, you see Leah Pepper the woman over here, so big up yourself, you know, because it sound like say you work with something proper, you know, and I fix her up over there in London, though.
Him not.
Him not go talk, and him not make you hear him.
Him out the palm mute.
Him what?
Him out the palm mute.
Oh, Jesus. You know, say you frightened me a while ago. John, you know, you're frightening me. Because, remember, say, me used to host out there, you know, the people them used to call in and go out with something. You know, say, a while ago, but think, you say, him not talk, you know, because he mount upon me. So, mute. I mute, you say, all right, we balance it up and think. So, everything
And
good.
then Raga, go and big up yourself.
Big up yourself, man, and big up yourself,
and
you and your
the
gentleman.
Them.
And big up the what?
People not the chat, yeah.
Big up the what?
People them not the chat.
All right, now say a word, man. Bless up yourself, you know, you and your gentleman. All right, respect, manners.
Then
All
Raga,
right, cool.
London.
Yeah, man, cool. Yo, she frightened me, you know, when she said, you know, nah, I'm out there, but, yeah, that mistake, yeah. Self-made catty, I want to call him, but I'm afraid. Afraid of what? Wait for afraid of? Come on, man, calm, man. You talk to Mas Raga. You understand? Mas Raga, you talk to, you know, so you don't know, say, you know, everything cool, you just relax and thing, and all is well. Okay? Hello?
Good evening, Raga.
Good evening, Wagwa.
Not bad.
See?
I have a married mix-up to give you.
Yeah, man, send on, make we hear it.
We deliver Joe Blaine one time, 16 Joe Blaine.
Spanish Town, yeah.
Right. So, my next door neighbor, I get married.
Yeah.
So, they invite me and my cousin for my wedding.
See it?
So, when we're there, wedding now, everything all right. You know, we don't set up and everything. When I go home. So, when we did it now, like, everything all right, and them say afterward reception time. So
Yeah.
we will go at the yard for the reception.
Yeah.
So when we got here now, we sit down round table and everything, Raga.
Mm-hmm.
We say the lady them come and ask me if we want something to drink.
Yeah.
So we say, yeah, sure, all right. Raga, when me and my cousin did and everything, mango juice, the people then care from give way for drink, Raga. So me I look for my cousin now and me I say, mango juice. Then me never gone nowhere and get mango juice for drink. So a girl I look for me now, my cousin I say, we look happy nice. What is wrong with you? You come out for there something.
Mm-hmm.
So me I say, what? Oh, me hear she go out, like mother say, oh, Tamika go about to wait, and I say, wait, I go hype on this thing. If I speak some mango juice, where I go get, Raga mango juice hot, then I no ice, then I no water, and nothing. So, me left it on the table, same way and son. Pastor preach and I say, oh, when if you go on, you know, expect that so when if you go on, because when you would at church, a man no member if you carry ring come. I did it, so when they reach home, then we put on a ring.
Well on. The pastor said when the wedding did I go on.
You know, when I died wedding on the pastor, I said, let's change your ring.
Yeah.
One another change ring.
Yeah.
And man, I go say, you never get to buy a ring because you never get here.
Because him never. Hold on. in the middle of the wedding ceremony. When the pastor said no, no at the time for put on the ring, and the man said, "Why, pastor? I want to say, me never get for buy a ring, because me never get pay, because me don't want to use the pay and thing, and it never run. Right. So yeah, we go on. What you say? Him tell the pastor said, when we go on, we put on the ring.
We put on the ring. The family them Raga never do in a girl like that, because them, them up top people there.
Yeah.
They want to choose the woman for man. But in a way, them want a way man like. You understand?
But hold on, but I guess it can happen. You can. Is it still a wedding if you never have a ring? Do you need to have a ring for it to be read, or just from your sign it say you get married and you say I do?
Well,
probably you don't need a ring. I don't know.
Sometimes money ain't enough answer. So anyway, we didn't know me sit down and them I said you want to then kiss you for use the fork and knock it.
The glass, right.
So every minute me and knock, come and want to then kiss and go on. So then said, they don't have no soup, did they? No. So I said, I wouldn't rather that go on this. Because she don't invite nobody in a lane to come my wedding. I just outsiders friends. But you mean no? Me say me want to see everything while go on. So rather when we didn't know one, them I say them I go share out the food and they sitting up there. So me I say, got a big top food I go on. Rather when the people then come with the food in a sanitary plate and sitting bully beef and rice. Me put me hand for me head.
Hold on. Mine have an humble little wedding and you are hype it up, Mine are that them can't afford it.
Let me tell you them the people that stay Raga, they go and beat up. If they even come and shock, remember my neighbor them in Raga. Come and shock so.
Yeah.
They want 10 rice, chicken, and I said they no cook one meat.
Yeah.
A 2 meat then cook because they want to. So me I say, bully beef and rice.
You sure the people themselves bully beef and white for the wedding?
Mr. Raga, I want to call you a long time and tell you, but me I said, I don't know how to call come. I say, I don't want it. I don't want no excitement or nothing. I say, just I go call you now and say, Mr. Raga, my cousin look for me and say, where the BBC I want this? How will me come put up myself,
John,
the girl will come with the food, like she start bakes and start prawns. I mean, I say, you want some, my girl? You don't come out with if you can eat bully beef and rice.
Well, where this did happen?
This happened about in 2017 when I live at Job Lane.
Job Lane. So this did happen at them yard in a Job Lane?
Right.
At the reception?
Right.
Okay.
Right as I come across the train line, there's upon Walks Road and come in.
Okay. And then, so you did live where you say 16?
Yes, me did live in a lane too.
But at 16 you did live?
Right.
And where them did live?
Same place in a 16, but a big land then have also.
Big, okay.
The reception round at the back.
Round at the back and thing. John,
right.
Cause some people, the way it sound right name, that some people are like some people don't even believe say anything can go. So the way it sound incredulous to which is the point. Which is like, Jamaican, no care how them not have it, no care how them money short and whatever. If somebody come tell me say them go on Jamaican wedding and them serve bully beef, and the first thing I ask them like, are these like really down and out people who couldn't do no better? Because no Jamaicans, I go serve bully beef and rice at wedding reception. It just in a paper plate.
It was so frightening, like
with hot mango juice.
Right, we still in that lane when we're ready and we play with Lodi and she say, When me I go get married, my way do I go this and my way do I go that. Me I say, me wish all the best, me love, but me not married. Me not ready yet. Me not run down that.
So one of them did have a cake.
Yeah, man, they have cake, they alright and green and white and stuff. But
Oh, okay. So the
my
cake
food
did
was
have.
never ready yet.
Okay.
Never ready.
But something go on with the food, man. The money never stretch, you know. The money never stretch with the food. Something go on with the food. But big up yourself, you know, boo-boo, all right?
I take care, Raga.
Yeah, man. Love and
Raga,
black.
we
Big
a
up.
long time listener, no, Raga.
Brap, brap,
Put
brap.
the radio from 9:30 for listen to you and turn up the radio and I leave it up.
That's right. Yeah, man. I give thanks to people like Kuni, you know, because enough of what me enjoy right I know, you know, so that it's set from then, you know. So people like Uno who not say Ragashanti, you know, so them time there be a fight me I get from the bossy people them down. Yeah. I want to get to people, Spanish town people and thing. I might get to whites. I want to stand up on a different raga. Me give thanks to that. I'll know. All right. Bless up yourself here.
But Raga, me like to mix up when the lady say the woman threw a 3 window.
Yo, it gone viral, man. It gone viral, man. Yeah, man. Rocky Mixup gone viral. Pandy Rock Mixup gone viral all over the world. All over the world.
All right. Big up yourself, Raga.
It got some, man. Protection. Okay. And people do remember Ragabash, September 20th, Amazura Concert Hall, right? Queens, New York, my birthday party, right? I want to come out for that, where I put everything together and whatever. I want to know the date now. Make plans, who for flying, who for drive down, who for drive up and things, seeing, right? It's gonna be a movie, right? And when I go and good glamour way, and I go play a DJ Roy, I go play a DJ Chris Cross, I go play a, that go nice. That go nice, that go jiggy, all right? And you know the music I go turn up, the vibes are go nice, and I'll do some other little something in there and thing, right? See, the CBS ANC will be there, yeah. And you know who we feeling Reverend, you know, yeah. Trenchtown says September the 20th, Saturday, September 20th, Trenchtown, Saturday, September 20th, right? Amazura, Queens, New York, Trenchtown, you're after that, don't play with me, all right? Connecticut, you know, for roll out, Hartford, Bridgeport, yeah, Hartford, Bridgeport, Waterbury, New Britain, the whole works, Bloomfield, and I don't know any Windsor and the whole works, and I have to forward, seeing, CT, make sure someone there, Boston, come in, yeah, Maryland, roll up, and you should that Raga give a brata, no, I get brata already, man, here we go. Yeah, no man, Canada come in, man. Canadians ever flying from a party than Ragabash. Greetings.
Hey, Raga.
Yeah, Wagwan.
This is Steve again.
Oh.
Because me no stop listening to your show, no me I watch you all evening. Since I mix up, me just want to make you think.
Don't say you want. Don't. You know, you don't have to do that.
Yeah, but me like your show, star.
Me know, but don't say. Me just want to make. You know, like you say, you have to do something. Me good man.
A store me I tell you a thing.
Yeah.
Me no like Rasta, you know.
What?
Me no like Rasta.
Why?
You know, me give you a story, Rasta. Hey, one day, no. Me the Detroit in the 90s.
Yeah.
The early part of the 90s. I live with my girl.
Yeah.
And me leave out home one morning. Me I make it raggy and quick. Me leave out one morning about 4:45. Me leave and go work. That time I work at Chrysler Corporation, see?
Yeah.
And me go work and reach work about 6:30.
Yeah.
And when me reach work, one vibes I said to me, say, boy, Steve, no work today, no. So me go to my supervisor and said to him, say, in name Ross. And I say, Ross, me no feel like work today, no. And he said to me, say, Steve, he's a man who always come to work. You know you love work. If you don't feel for work, go back home.
Yeah.
And me jump in my car.
Yeah.
Raga, when me reach home, me see a bike park up on my condo window right at the side.
Right there. A rider. Yeah.
I may have my brother them in Detroit, and I say, Christopher no ride, Castor no ride, Winston no ride. So who I ride bike in my window?
Yeah.
So anyway, me come out of the car and take out the key and open the door and go into the house. When me go into the house, there's a Rasta man lay down in my bed with my man asleep, you know. Sleep.
Asleep.
Me kick him one time. And the woman get up, you know, she named Tracy. She live in Florida now. She wake up, she Raga, you laugh. Look
No, we don't call name over here, but go and talk. We work with it. We work with it. Tracy, why you do it, Tracy?
Yeah.
Why you do it? Yeah. So, hold on. Who you kick? Tracy or the Ras?
No, man. She wake up and see me. And the cartoon I water saw come down because she couldn't fly or run away now because me already in the house.
Right. So what you say you do? You kick the Ras?
So me kick the Ras.
Yeah.
The Ras no move at all. And me kick him again.
Yeah.
And he no move. And one of the last time, he gave him one rotted kick, you know. And he roll over in the rocker. He roll over.
Yeah.
And look at me. I say, oh, you and he rub behind and you see the cap of your man. So your eye red? I see it, so the man the eye red.
Yeah, the cap you red, I see him saying.
Yeah, man, I see him, so the Rasta man the eye red. And he look at me and say, who you?
Yeah, and what you say?
You're not my horse. And I ask me who me is.
Yeah.
The man said the bed when the long pan and him buy it.
Well, stop right there, sir. Stop right there, sir. Stop right there, sir. To the best of your knowledge, of your house, but your woman, the Tracy, they tell us she buy the bed?
No, me and Tracy have me and Tracy live in my house.
But who buy the bed? Who buy the bed?
Me buy my bed.
So he must say him buy the bed?
I mean, I know what Tracy tell him.
No, what Tracy tell him? You don't know, say I give him, get Tracy the money for buy. Tracy tell him, say, take money. Steve, I take Tracy take your money from him and tell him, say, she buy the bed, you know. Then the time you buy the bed, you know.
Yeah, and the man have all my bed slippers, you know.
Well, no! Him have on your bed slippers.
Yo, me have a slippers when me walk in the house. The man have on it on him foot and lay across me bed.
Jesus God. How will you say it?
And when me kick him, the man look at me and roll me and say, who you?
Well, you see, from today, your radio name for the show is Nah Do It. Right? Because you know, say you're nah swipe, right? So your name is Nah Do It, right?
Yeah.
So Nah Do It. After the man said, him buy the bed and thing, what you do after that?
Yo, me just look at the man, you know, me and say, yo, you just give me a couple minutes, you know, make me just left out of this, you know, you and I can take this place, yeah.
Oh.
I'm in a fight, because in Detroit, they will lock you up. And that's not the end of the story, no. Get Valco youth, baby just born about 6 months old.
We do.
The middle in between them. With the same girl, Tracy. With the same girl named Tracy.
Well, when Tracy are born and thing, you and I have a 6-month-old baby?
Baby in the bed. In the bed when me come home, him the on one side asleep, and the baby in the middle, and the girl.
Oh God! Oh God! Oh God! Tracy!
Yeah, man. So
Tracy! Why you doing,
yeah, man,
Tracy?
Me say, yo, am I you? This one said, no. He said, am I named upon the birth certificate? Me say, am I named upon that?
Wait, what are the thing I get deeper? What are the Rasta a female named upon the birth certificate?
Yes. And me say, yo, am my baby. So she have on a tights, you know, me never forget. You know them Jamaica woman, they wear leggings, look black thing.
Yeah.
And me said to him, say, you see all them clothes that she have on? And my sister buy her them clothes there. And she look on her and say, I chew him attack, and the girl shake her head.
Well, no. You say all them clothes that you have on, and your sister buy it. And then who say if I chew him attack?
No, my baby mother at the time, me say, all the clothes that she have on, and my sister buy them for her. And the Rasta boy look on she and say, I chew him attack. And she have to say yes, it's because it's true.
Because she know it's true. Right, they say, yeah.
Yeah, man, I mean just
Then hold on. But when the Rasta a female name upon bird paper,
she have two birth certificate, one for me and one for him. Yeah, man. Yo, you see for the week, Raga? I lose about 50 pounds for 1 week.
Oh, God. Stress take you, know.
Man, yo, me almost lose it. But me stay strong still. I'm living and do better now.
Jeez and peace and whatever. So me tell you, a piece of depression take, you know.
Oh yeah, man, and me take up my things and me tell them, see, them days in Detroit we used to use pager. When you get a phone call,
yeah,
you used to just go up on the page and go make the phone call.
Yeah.
Road, because no phone never there, cell phone never there.
Yeah.
See, and me say, just give me a minute, make me just get one me want out of this house.
Right.
And the time them days we are licked like gold ring and chain and things, see? So me just take up them there and walk out, and me never look back until today.
Jesus God, so well on then. But you keep you though, so all you remain in touch with the youth and whatever. By the way, are you a youth?
The youth I did for him. Cause the youth come as black as him. And the youth I did for him.
So you are you black? You black?
No, well me asking this thing, but the youth have come with all the full him have got a big eye. And the youth come same way.
So well on it. Is that Jackie Tracy did give you?
Well, he did one give me because when me walk out, me never look back.
Because him say film name the pan bird paper to and him have bird paper show film name pan it. But
yes.
Tracy give a appeal. Tracy give the bird paper to and show you your name pan it.
Yeah.
You know?
Yep. So a two if she provide.
By the way, the double bird paper something there, I know nothing new, you know. You have woman do them thing the regular.
Yeah,
I know of a situation where the picnic had 3 bird paper. And the woman trained the picnic to relate to the 3 different man them like each one of them father. And I was him father. Yeah, man. So some woman wish. I mean, know several double bird paper thing too, you know. John know Tracy the cool man.
Yeah, man. Wicked man. And he married about 100 times since that, and every man left her.
So, but you sound like you know what going on with her though. You
no.
know?
Because, man, the cause of them grew up. So the cause of them share what going on in her life.
So, okay, so she married. It look like, them have a look at saying on the internet, you know, them say, she's for the streets.
Yes, man.
It look like Tracy go hard and thing. They see when you come in there and thing and you like kick him and him now wake up. Yeah, it's a good. Hold on. It's a good working get and tired out, you know.
I know you mean. Then him a red light dragon. No more a good working get.
Nah, man. I know. So the Ras could all put on all a big split before him put it on and pan Tracy to man and thing or whatever and get
Tracy could I tell him say me no some work.
Yeah. I tell him say no more. It's a good work the Ras get when you see him lay down them and welcome. And you know, so that's another first. You know, when you see him lay down, they well comfortable and thing.
The first, if the man they usually come when as soon as me gone work, the man they come take charge.
When post gone rat take charge. You old enough to know the term then they use when we are picnic, you know what that is? Yep. Joe grind.
Joe grind. Him I did master grind.
Joe grind, man. Yeah, that was the original name for Jamaican Bunnaman. Joe grind. When you go and Joe grind come in.
Me respect the word with them say, a man run away from a fight. Live for fight another day, and that's what
no, you did the right thing. No, you did the right thing. You did the right thing. I tell them all the time on this show, say, me with that woman and love her from here till eternity. And if me come home and catch a man a sort her out, and that man instrument is 10 times the size of my one, and him a put it on her, and me hear she make sound with him, but she never yet make with me. Me not war them, you know. If me well on, is from me PP and I see what I go and I take time like back the door make them finish.
Yeah.
And while them are finished, me gonna make them some lemonade. No, me gonna make them some lemonade because when they done, them I go tired. And when they done, me gonna give them each of them a glass of lemonade and say boom bam bam bam.
To sleep?
No, me just I give them lemonade and thing. And if it's my house, I said, boss, you do your thing, but I mean, want this, you know, so you're going to have to leave. If it's not my house, I'm going to catch them somewhere and think, me not war no man over front.
No, sir. That's why me walk
No
away. 'Cause
man over front. And
people are telling me, say, me should have killed the two of them in my house.
you idiot thing that for what?
Yep. Yeah, man, and me walk out.
When you kill the two of them and then you end up in a prison and one big thick man come over to you and I tell you bend over right and start beat you out. I bet you say you look back on it and say, you know, so I'm trying to kill them and think,
Raga, if I had did that, I would not be able to tell you that story.
Exactly.
Today.
Exactly. So
Yep,
enough
and I
time I
walk
see
away,
the
bro.
people out there, them catch this and that and them get violent and all them. I tell them, say, don't do it. Don't do it. You have to I'm not saying you're not going to be disappointed, you're not going to be hurt and whatever. But a successful man control his emotions in the time when it gets more stressful. At that time you have to hold it and build back and think. Look how much woman there world. If you go give up your 3 points or go give up your liberty and your freedom because of woman. Because right now, you know, I always tell you them, you know. No man no own a woman front, you know. You could have married her, you could have dealt with her for 20 years. She could have swear and do. You don't. The only time I hear front that when you're in it.
Yep.
And you can ask her too and take shoe off and say, oh, for something this and thing, and curve it and lean it and slant it, and then go down and push it up on the G-spot. Well, I'm saying a little bit too much, but you understand, and enjoy yourself, broke out and thing. But when you come out, yo, I always tell him this in a man call a show one time, you know, and him say him and him woman, them live a tenement yard, and him and him woman lay down in a bed, you know. But the light off. So you know when the light off, the body can't see him, but you can see it, but then window open. A tenement yard them live, and then when one woman will live with her man, her baby father, whatever, them have outside bathroom. So them say she left and go in at the outside bathroom. So him and him woman see when she go in there. But when them see one man come over the fence. So them say, hold on, no man that come up. So the two of them are look. And the man come over the fence and go in at the bathroom with her, you know. And them go on with themselves in the bathroom, you know, man. And when him done shell her out and thing and come out and him at buckle up, them see him buckle up and thing and whatever and thing. And then she go back in at the room to her man, you know, and I put them inside, you know. Now, understand that scenario they know. That's why I say any man who claims that them can born better than woman, them are idiot. Because men, they make the mistake and born outside of them routine. Women always born within them already established routine. So you find, say, if a man go say to all him, say, no, you know, say your woman start out with a brother there, and I go say when? Thursday night. You know what him go say? What a wicked man here. You know, say me and my woman there in the room the whole night, Thursday night, and him a talk about say the man there, I lie them a tell upon him woman, you know, because she crafty. But the man where did I watch them now with femme woman? Because of him calling, you know, and I tell you. So him say him turn to femme woman now after the two of them watch this and say, I will never forget this. Him say, you and me I say. He say, when me I look upon you, you are my woman. You see, when me can't see you,
you're not my woman.
You is not my woman. All right? Right? Yeah. And I remember that and I never forget it and think because that is another way of saying, yo, we don't end up do them stupid things and I kill woman and I stab them up and thing because you born rich and all them. Look how much born man get woman and thing and woman wallet and thing. So if man get couple born right, you know, just balance your thing, yeah, man, and keep it moving and walk away. You understand? And you're a man when you do that. Right? Because you have your life and you can build back and thing like that and whatever.
I have 1 million more women.
And 1 million more woman is not for no pum pum that. It belongs to her, no care what she tell you and whatever. And when woman hype you up and I say so and so and so, yeah, you can work with it, but don't fool yourself and whatever. I don't want a pum pum. She want a pum pum. It's for your one. And at the end of the day, the owner of something is free to do with it whatever they want to do, even if they're breaching an agreement. It's not yours. You know?
That is true.
Well,
take this heed.
Yeah, the man them but once you come give a man pum pum and all, hey, gunshot for you, you know, whatever. Idiot thought that. Idiot thought that. Right? When you're in it, you have temporary authority in there because you're in there now. When you're
Our
out,
ownership that time, yeah.
yeah, balance up your thing and easy, and nobody go do nothing stupid and thing and end up in a prison or whatever. And then she the out, I take her next man with her knee, her ears and all them thing there and make man get her wheelbarrow and thing.
Definitely.
And you there in a prison afraid for drop afraid the soap go drop out of your hand. Nah, happen to me.
Somebody pick up.
Yeah, that now happened to me. So you do the right thing.
Yo, yeah, man.
Yeah, nah, do it.
Live today.
Nah, do it. Big up yourself, man. I rate
Yeah,
you,
man.
man.
Respect you, sir.
All right, now do it. Big up
All
yourself. Yes, sir. Cool. Yo, no. Me I tell you, say, that's something there. Yeah, you can't stupid in another world, yeah. And all I man them, yeah. And ladies too, right? Ladies, only no one no man sitting. And men, only no one no woman. So if you ever find yourself in a position where the person and do so, nothing wrong if you're hurt, nothing wrong if you're upset, nothing wrong if you're angry, you know, but you may want to control. What you don't want to do is to allow your emotions to get the better of you. And you know it is. It's all about choices. It's all about choices. And I know the Jamaican thing is inside on about disrespect and she violate and how much money you spend per hour and whatever. You made that choice. You made that choice. Right? And if she breached the agreement, then fine. So what? Life happens. Right? And not most of the people them who do the most violent thing when bun reach them, and them always a bun through. And them did a bun before. But them can't take it when it reach them. Women and men. You understand? So if you don't ever find yourself in another position, that do not make a bad choice and go do something stupid. Nothing wrong if you're hurt, nothing wrong if you're upset, it's all good. But just hold it like a G. And say, yeah. And yeah, you're going to get some stylings. People are going to talk all kind of things. And watch this and that, and him woman F pan him and thing, and him head take him. That a part of the game. It's going to happen. Right? That a going to happen. But nobody go do nothing stupid and all them thing there. You understand? Don't make no bad choice and thing. And go do something stupid and go give away your freedom and your liberty. No genital is worth it. No front, no worth. Now look how much front there world. Right? Look how much woman there world a ball and I look for man and all them something there and whatever, this and that. And you go punk out yourself and whatever because of one bun reach. Look how much bun woman get and thing and them hold it. You know what woman I get born right, you know, from them man and thing, and them don't even want to bring up something for talk about it because you know it go come out and them have to go left the man because it out, but them no say it a go on anywhere. And them a hold it for the kids, and them a hold it for this and that. You know how much bun I reach woman right, you know. And somehow the man when get all I look a bun reaching and whatever. And yeah, cause woman bun very often hotter than man bun, yeah. We know that though. Right? But I still bun, right? So if you get a bun and did some bun reaching and whatever, you just say, yeah, what it is, you know, not no special boy that way. The bun can reach it to worse if you bun before to Bill man and clutch man and go so roar. And there's nothing more powerful than that, you know, when time, you know, people are say this and that and whatever, but you just control your thing and govern your thing, you know, and marshal your thing away where you just have your eyes on the prize and you know make your mouth say and this and that come get the better of you emotionally and thing. And that's how the strength them man when you can stand like a soldier when the world I say this and that boy yeah, you just go so boom and just look on them and know say the whole of them stupid because you look on the thing on a bigger level and things so you say what more life. You know give away your life over pum pum. You know how much man they are prison right now for pum pum. You know how much man they are prison right now. Somewhere, somehow them go do this and that make all a woman programming because she give him some good sort out and send him go kill a man over here. So or the woman bunny man and them thing. There are enough man they are prison for pum pum and regret it. Don't be that guy. Don't be that guy. Me tell you no. I want to tell you, say the thing what would have upset me is all if me have a woman and she go burn a man and the man sort out pop down. Yeah, that upset me. I'm gonna say be then if you're a Bunnaman, it make sure say a Bunnaman will put it on you better than me. Yeah, at least you can say well, you did a step up, you know, you have ambition, right? Yeah, then I can say at least you have body ambition, you know. Yeah, because it's not body retrogression, it's not body backslide, right? You don't want that woman who are gonna born you and she's a body backslider, right? She a backslide, right? She gonna take somewhere. Yeah, they're not going with a man, the man, right? Not care how good you are, there's somebody out there better than you. Accept it, right? And if I know you're a match and you're a match, I'm gonna tell you something. If Bona go give, Bona go give, right? If Bona go give, Bona go give, and you can't stop it. You understand? If Bona go, you know how much woman want burn them man and thing, and when them go so and say, I go burn him back and thing, and when them do it, then can't do it. Can them just stay so? Them just not that person. And things, I wish I could have just burn him back in and was I try, but I can't do it. Right? Them just not stay so. But the next woman me say, Ray, you know, him not giving no attention and whatever and this and that and thing and a bun reach and whatever. If you work it out and you build back. And they say enough people them get bun and thing and them forward and build back successful relationship. Yes, it has happened. But if you can't get past that and you get past that, you keep it moving. You understand? See? Just keep it moving, man. And nobody go do no look idiot thing out the boat to not kill woman and all them something. Madness that, man. See? Anyway, people are jugglements in the 90, you know, man. I just link out the item tomorrow, all right? I don't want to no vex and things. See? When I have to OD on it, you know, because we're there, you know, Mondays to Thursdays, don't see? So I say blessings to the item and thing. We're going to leg right, you know. And before we leave, if you not watch the show right, you know, follow me if you're not follow me yet. Let me see if follow me now if you not follow me yet. I want to put this thing at 69. I want to stop it, you know, because other people are going to come and them now going to get the joke. Right? All I want to, Craig Tanya and John Crow, you know, the one Milo the love do it, you know. You see the Michelle do it. So Lati, Sofran, me I telling a Delmarine, yeah, because other people are going to come here and soon doing it and then don't get the joke. And I'm gonna say, why don't one of them a post 69 when them a go away? And you know, say me them a go style, because I me always get the beating, you know. I me them always make assumption. You see it? Yeah. All right, no, but after 9 now, I remember it's not Jamaica time, so the show keep 6 to 9 US East Coast time, and that right now that is 5 to 8 Jamaica time, and now it's 9:12, so I'm about to Lego and things, so we just juggle with the item tomorrow, seeing? So I'm just going and balance up on the thing, you know, seeing? And I'm Maras, but one more. It's a king parking enforcement, one more. Yeah, all right, yeah, but still like the live. And do remember, again, you know, Ragabash is back. All right, Ragabash is back. All people from England who want forward come a Ragabash, yeah? September, I want to say again, September, what a date, the 20th. Well, I'm telling you, yeah, 20th. Was I saying the 17th earlier? I want to get that from. Me did I say the 17th earlier, though? Why me think at one point me did say the 17th? It's the 20th, right? It's Saturday, September the 20th. Correct, right? Saturday, September the 20th. See it there? Yeah. Adrian Barnes said we must stay until it reach 1 million likes. Adrian, are you on crack? I don't think you meant to say 1 million, you know, or you meant that as a joke. It's at 795,000 likes right now. I think you meant, well, yeah, it would be 1 million. No, you're right. Like 1,000 would be 1 million. You're right. Nah. Oh, it's at 800,000 right now. No, I gotta go. know. Yeah, man, September 20th at the Amazura Concert Hall, right? Saying, I don't know it go down. Ragashanti birthday party and thing. Good music, lots of fun, TamFam style, saying elegance and class. One day I them roll out and come enjoy that one day. September 20th, save the date, make it a date. Bring your people, bring your husband, your wife, your man, your woman. Or if you come with your Bunnaman or your Bunna woman. Or if you come with your other side man, and not your number one side man, but your other side man or your other side. Yeah, because we know that out there, we know that a juggle out there, see it. So we just forward and come enjoy on yourself and make it a date. We want to just plan up and look at thing. Christina Brown show CBS said me I look at shows from now. Cause my foot them nyam me like one ragabash. Oh, she look like she come on ragabash and she have on a boot with it gear problem though. Young girl, wear your size. Young girl, wear your size. Cause if you don't take Stitchy advice, girl, you not ever get one phenomenon, two. Lieutenant Stitchy, big up yourself. We have some look at health problems I reach and thing, you know. You don't know. Just wish you all the best, my brother. All right, big up yourself. Yeah. You know, you see the likes, it really go up. It's like at 800 and... Oh, it's a little loud. Yeah, check. 1 3. Yeah, it's at 856,000. Yeah, it kind of spring up, though. Raga just weird. Adrian, if they find this, you know, they say, Adrian, it soon reach 1 million likes, though. All right, well, all right. When I like it up now, let me see what I go on. Like it up, let me see what I go on. Let me see what I go on. Oh, yeah, Kimberly. Yeah, you know the algorithm thing. All right, then. Let me see if the likes are... It's climbing. It really a climb for you, you know. All right, well on. All right, put on the likes then. We could see what I go on. Put on the likes. It's only easy. It's showing not careless me out. Put on the likes then. Hello? Hello?
Hey,
Hey.
where I got my shot story the face.
All right, send on.
So, one morning me asleep.
Yeah.
I'm here, my baby father phone ring.
Yeah,
I'm
your baby
saying,
father
no,
say
man.
what?
Me and my baby father phone ring.
Yeah.
So I said, no. After I'm not order so early in the morning because I still 10 o'clock.
Mm-hmm.
Because him have him delivery company.
Right.
So me say, me hear what my tell a woman say, you know, some have a order on your side. So forward.
Yeah.
So I say, so forward and in my house in there. So him said to her, she said to him, carry breakfast when you come. I just jump out of bed and say, what you say? Him stop and pause. No man, somebody want order. I say, you think me an idiot? I'm a
Yeah.
woman you talk to. Yeah, no man, I want girl where me used to talk to and she want one baby, so me I hook her up with my friend. So I say, no, are you want to go get a baby? As a
Right.
matter of fact, come out. Come out of the house. Go on. Him start beg me mother. Mom, talk to her for me there. Talk to her for me there. Her head not right till right now. I said, I take the shoes and I throw it in her bushes.
You throw
And punch her bike tire.
you throw him shoes in the bush and punch him bike tire?
Exactly. So I say, that's not right. You know what I say? Put fun and joke aside him talk about. You know, a matter of fact, I bring your baby mother to her day.
I bring you what?
Baby mother to her day.
And that him said to you?
So yeah, so everywhere, every order I'm go on here come. Say, him never stop till in carry me go work with him. One next incident now, but then at the house, theme house,
Eh.
him get one phone call from a woman.
Mm-hmm.
Besides what I call him, a cousin. He say, a cousin? Say, your cousin have food problem now. And you go tell her, say, I check your mother. How that? So, him say, no, man, I'm a cousin, man. So, I say, you sure you're a cousin? Him say, yeah. Some say, wait, how am I not hear about a cousin? What's your name? Him no want to tell me. So, when I look, no. I say, that man is a liar. So, I'm going to search for one. I'm search for one. I want a woman where him a link before me and him still a link she.
Oh.
I sure can Ibex.
So how that one let it end up?
Me know. Beg
No, how it end up? How it end up with that one day?
Him not get for me to come stop everything.
You stop everything.
Okay.
Okay.
Come say. Nobody not get with me. I didn't forget today.
Okay.
So.
No, but in terms of the mix up, how it end up, to me I cut, you know? Me don't want to cut it. Yeah, how it end up?
Oh, the mix up. No. When my friend call her now and say, leave my friend baby mother alone. She gonna say, me take her man. Some say, me take care,
No,
man.
no, but how it end up? I mean, you see, I tell you a story, but me just want to know how it end up because of the
Early
time.
morning,
yeah.
I come, like, him not answer me, so I come. I beat down the door, I not hear nothing. So I wonder how him phone ring and I not hear nothing. You see, by the time I take through the back and look, and one girl that I see run under the bed.
One girl I run under the bed?
Yeah.
And then what happened?
So, but he done already have acid. But the throw, I'm going to throw it around somebody reach down.
You throw what?
Acid.
Acid?
Acid.
What did I do with acid?
Because I prepare for those girl.
Yeah. So you used to juggle with acid?
No. I'm a cousin, I get it from.
Okay.
I'm suspected something wrong.
Okay. So when you throw the acid, who would catch?
The cousin.
The cousin will give you?
No, Finn cousin.
Finn cousin?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, that one a heavy and thing. But at least a day I give thanks and thing, all right?
That's for run.
All right. Now say a word, man, all right?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, cool. 1 million. It actually says 1 million. It literally says 1 million. I usually don't really look on it that much, you know. People that say, Rugger, you always a push follow, but you need to push likes too, you know, and things. So I'm learning. Since the day I know if you not watch and thing, you not follow me now. Right? Follow Ragashanti, you know, if you not follow me. Hello?
Yes, good night.
Good night.
I've been watching your show a long time, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, but I don't have no mix-up with you.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm just passing by and say hi, you know.
You're just passing by and saying, I respect for that, man. Big up yourself, you know. The fan we are blowing on your phone, our brand of the fan.
Oh, Alaska.
Our Alaska. No, but yeah, the fan is Alaska fan that, you know. Yeah.
Yeah, what?
Which part you link from?
Trelawney.
Trelawney, which part of Trelawney?
Over the schemes.
Eh?
The scheme.
Scheme, okay. Trelawney, the home of Falmouth. The place, Falmouth Trelawney, that got electricity before the United States of America. Yeah.
I think before New York.
Yeah, before New York. Yeah, definitely. Before the United States of America. Yeah. All
Yeah,
right,
man.
big up yourself here. All right.
The first time I watch you I watch you on the Ian show.
Ian Boyne, Profile.
Yes.
Yeah, that was years ago. May his soul rest
Yeah,
in
man.
peace.
That was a good story, you know.
Yeah.
Where you coming from?
Yeah, give thanks.
Yeah, man. Big up yourself.
Hey, Gossa, man, and big up yourself, man, and big up our Chilani people and things, see? Bless up yourself,
Yeah, man.
my brother. Respect for
I'm
the
a
year.
Haitian though.
Oh, you're Haitian? Okay. How long have you lived in Jamaica?
23 years, you know.
23 years. Okay. Did you go to Jamaica just to visit, or did you go to Jamaica for a better life or something like that?
Well, I came to visit and end up stay.
Oh, you came to visit. You flew over to visit, right? And you end up staying. When you're flying from Haiti to Jamaica, how you do? Do you have to go to another country first?
No, at that time, Air Jamaica.
Oh,
it was a straight flight.
Oh, it was a straight flight because at that time, Air Jamaica was flying to Haiti.
That was in 2002.
Yeah, so after 23 years right now, you are indeed a Jamaican now. You're a Haitian Jamaican.
No, man. A Jamaican passport we have.
Right, there you go. Are you married to a Jamaican woman now?
Yeah, man.
That yeah, man, never come out convincing, you know.
No, man. A real one.
Huh? Yeah?
A real one.
A real one?
Yeah.
What do you mean real? Like what? A real Jamaican?
A real, yeah, man. Confidence.
Real confidence. Okay, so you're married to a Jamaican woman, correct? A woman, correct?
Yes.
Okay. Oh, are you still married to her now?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah. I come to New York all the time, though.
Okay, all right then. That's our word, man. So respect, like you say, you were passing by and you're just saying hello. So bless up yourself, all right?
Yeah, man.
All right then. Respect, man. Respect for the year, man. Cool.
Big up yourself.
All right. Proper. Yep. 1.1 million. It's like because I'm exceeded too, don't it? All right. Last call. Last request. Last one. Let's go. Hello.
Hi, Raga.
Wagwan.
Oh, so can do the mix up now?
Yes, and I know. Kind of bad me if I make mistake. Yeah.
All right, I'm going to tell you my part. I always listen to your show still from me I go primary school.
Yeah.
I'm always love your show.
All right.
I'm going to tell you my experience.
Yeah.
I have a friend.
Uh-huh.
Me and him work together.
Mm-hmm.
Him say he meet this lady online, untag one dating app.
A what?
Online.
Yeah. Oh, an Antigua.
On a dating app.
Antigua. Okay, all right. Mm-hmm.
No, man, on a dating app. Tag.
Okay. Oh, tag. Okay, yeah, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
So the woman start sending money.
Mm-hmm.
And he said to me, say, you can try it, you know, because you can find a nice man for it.
Okay.
I'm say, all right.
Mm-hmm.
Listen to him and download the app.
Mm-hmm.
I'm find one for it.
Mm-hmm.
One Jamaica, no, ex-police from Kingston.
Yeah.
So start talk with him after I hook up with him pan tag.
Yeah.
Exchange number where I talk.
Yeah.
I'm say, all right, now after a couple months, 2 months where I talk, I say, he want to meet me.
Yeah.
I'm say, all right then. Him sound genuine, I go meet him.
Right.
Me now would leave my yard early Saturday morning. Him ask me what I do.
Yeah.
So I tell him, say, I will go to the market, I'm always buy goods
Uh-huh.
for the house and let me come link him.
Yes.
So him say, no man, link me first.
Yeah.
And then you can go town. So him say, all right then, we meet him at Crossroad. So when I meet him at Crossroad, him carry me over his house.
Mm-hmm.
And him carry me over the house now, me and him there a reason.
Mm-hmm.
So when we there a reason now, I'm gonna ask him for the thing right away.
Mm-hmm.
Remember the first time I meet him, you know?
Yeah.
I mean, I said to myself, what me just meet him time and put the argument already.
Mm-hmm.
So in a way, me daddy and I like him.
Yeah.
Yeah, me I work with him.
All right. Your boss.
Work with him and get a proper sort out in the morning.
You know, you want in there, yeah.
Early Saturday morning.
Wait.
Early I go town, 5 o'clock. I left out go town.
What?
Yeah, man, when I go market.
No, but so what are you did over for me, yard?
We reach down crossroad by United 6 after 6.
Yeah.
Like early morning.
So your bossy man thing, and what you say him go on, you say proper, so him they go and go with the shellings.
Proper sort out.
Yeah. All right.
So anyway, you know, I say me I hold a shower. So I'm in at the bathroom, him turn to me and say, where you put your bag? I say my bag up on the table. Nah, pre nothing at the time, my money in my bag and everything. Nah, pre say
Yeah.
the man gonna search my bag when me a baby.
Yeah.
So when I done bed and everything, because I say I never ever think that way they say he would have moved that way.
Move that way they do.
So I would left the house now and go downtown. When we go downtown, the man will chop with me and up and down behind me.
Yeah.
So we're done by with me by now. I'm almost ready for go up. I notice that I can't find my purse with my bank card, my ATM card, my 300 US. My purse gone with everything.
Yeah.
And I'm me and him alone and walk.
Yeah.
So I turn around to him and I say, I don't see a person in my bag, you know.
Yeah.
I say, yeah, man, you did have it. I give the bag with the purse. I might help me search feet, you know.
I help you.
Man, I help me look for the purse.
Yeah.
I might say, man, when they put on the bag, you know, somebody going in the bag. I say, no, man, nobody not going in the bag. Two hours there, so.
Yeah.
So him say, I'm going to go up the road, go look at him, see it.
Mm-hmm.
So them walk go up the road, and master man go master have the purse. So I see him again now. Him say him not see it. So me start crying.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm there downtown and crying out. The man said, shut your mouth, man, you're ball around me to make excitement for me in a big town.
He start rough you up now.
Yeah, man, the man say I kind of excitement and crowd they want to call along for me. Him say, come go on home, man. Me a cry now, that's all the man tell me, you know. So I come go me here.
Ja, no.
You believe me, Raga?
No, I believe you. The details of your son or whatever. So you think him take your money out of your purse? No.
Yeah, man, him do it.
Him take away your purse, I think.
But the story when me I try to bring across is say me I find a man. When I look for him, look out for me and help me and I rob the man around.
The man rob you, because you go there for fine, because the reason why you go do the tag thing from what your brethren tell you is to see if you can get a man then or go send her and look for food to you and things like that.
Right. So me see the big woman and send him money.
Yeah. And he must
say meet a big woman.
Yeah.
And she live America and she help him.
Yeah. And he must say, yo, you can run in upon this man because you can get meet people who send you food and things or whatever. You go there and go get beaten down.
I say, Raga, I delete tag faster than how me install it.
Learn
I get rid of it fast. I'm not going to no more dating now.
No more dating.
I be a scammer. May I tell the people, I'm not a joke thing. I be a scammer and swindler. I don't know where the other word for thief where you call it. Depend dating side.
John.
So me I want people to be careful.
And look how the man go take away your money and thing and then on top of it get a good work from you too.
Why, man? Jeez, It's rough right nowadays. And that's why I see most people single.
Yeah.
But right now, I'm still single, you know.
You're still single from them time there, I know. You're
still
single.
Them learn me lesson.
Hush, yeah. Hush. All right, bless up yourself here.
All right, next time.
Yeah, man, love and bless.
Thanks for listening to my story.
You're most welcome, sweetie. You take care, all right? Blessings.
All right.
Cool. Yeah, man, cool. John, no, him do our wicked. Well, assuming I him taking money, him do our wicked. For real. Yeah, man, they want that juggle, man. And them I get, look, I get look like a good and a broken woman foot them same way and all these things. No, my mom, she come out of the bathroom and think she should have checked her bag and her purse and everything. Right there, so. So I hope you learn on a lesson. When you go certain place for the first time, I want to bring on a get back money, or if you don't know way, if you go spend some money on something and the man say, come link me over here, so protect on the money. Protect on the money. All right? When you don't be down and shower, put the bag on the top of the toilet when you can't see it, on the top of the toilet bowl when you can't watch it. No. All right, that's our word. I am leaving now. Kimberly says she's tired and hungry now. All right, Kimberly, go eat some food, you know. Yes, and do remember, for anybody who want to contact me on for any type of immigration service, U.S. immigration service, do remember that the number is, you're going to send me a text. You're going to send me a text. If you need to do any filing in particular, right, I don't do litigation. I don't go into courts and them things and whatever. But anything we do with your paperwork and thing, remember, I am an immigration lawyer and think U.S. immigration, don't come to me about Canada or the UK. I don't know nothing about their jurisdictional statutes and those stuff and all that thing. Right, so yeah, you would send me a text to the following number. Again, for any U.S. immigration services, you would send me a text to the following number. 516 500 0210. 516 500 0210. Luke, I will look out for your one here. Biggie is here in New York and she's doing well. All right, people, take care of yourself and do remember, line up on the thing, it's all about Ragabash, September 20th, Saturday, September 20th, here in New York at the Amazura in Queens, New York, all right? My birthday party, see? So, man, all I want to come full it up and thing. When the tickets are on sale, I'll let you guys know, all right? Blessings and respect, cool. Lee, yeah, we kidding, no? Okay, I'm out. Blessings.